Well, I had to do
Yo,
go ahead. Go
we're
ahead.
live. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Freaky Market Friday.
Bro,
I just
you the
want to
worst.
say that.
You the worst DJ ever. You like, hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to
Freaky
Licious Friday.
Bro,
PPI
we
consumer
partying?
sentiment.
Are we partying? Or you trying to put me to sleep? What we trying to do?
This is the early morning but late night jams with your host Jay Seals and
you on the mic
Hobbs.
with Jay Seals in the building. Listen here, lady. Put your cups down. Put your drawers in the drawer.
I got my boy Christmas with me.
Yeah.
Christmas, come over here and hold my jacket.
Anyway, so this market dumped and is reversing quite nicely. Shout out to Valdez, shout out to Pippi. They both caught the bottom of this market and rode it back up for a nice little gain. And I think Amit rode it damn near all the way down. So shout out to you, my good brother. But yeah, people in the Discord are eating this morning. I'm just waking up and getting my energy going. I got a nice ghost courtedy of the wife.
You've been up.
Swedish fish. I've been up since 5. I had to take my wife to the airport.
Are you drinking Swedish fish flavored energy drink?
Yeah, she bought me this Swedish fish flavored energy drink. Yeah. Maybe I should have told y'all that.
Cancel this, bro.
maybe I should have told y'all
cancel
that.
Jay Steels, bro. He said this thing is canceled.
Maybe I should have left that one alone. Whatever. Anyway, y'all gonna leave me alone with my Swedish fish.
Oh my god.
Anyway, let me get into this pre-market plan real fast for ES, which I know y'all don't care about, so I'm gonna speed through it, and then I'll let T Hobbs go for NQ, which I'm pretty sure we have the same plan.
We do.
But anyway, so on ES, if you are trading ES today, which I will not be, I'll be trading NQ, but again, whatever. Shut up, Valdez, don't say nothing to me. So we got this 30-minute demand zone right here that we bounced off of quite nicely in the pre-market, and we rallied. I don't even know how many points this is. This is like a 11-point move already. But yeah, so we rallied off this level right here. I'm looking for yesterday's high of day to be a rejection point for today if we come back up and retest, which I think we will. And then if that doesn't work, then my next rejection point is going to be 50, 60, 75. But at that point, I'll be pretty bullish because we'll be going for all-time highs. And I would rather just look for a pullback and assume that we're going to break all-time highs, to be completely honest with you, because you just can't stop these bulls. And honestly, consumer sentiment might be the thing that ends up pushing us all the way back up, because I think these consumers are more than bullish. But we'll see what happens. To the downside, I don't really have much other levels other than this 45-minute demand zone that we bounced off of yesterday. It seems like every single demand zone that we form, we've just been bouncing off of it. Every single time we sell, we just bounce off of demand. So this uptrend is really strong, and I don't really see a reason to try to fight it at this point. Like, if you're trying to fight the uptrend, then just scalp to the short side. You can get nice scalps, but I mean, at this point, the bulls are just in control. They're winning, and if you want to win, then you join the bulls for now. So that's what I got. Pretty simple, easy plan.
If you want to win, put Booby in. All right, right now.
Say something different.
No. Right now, I'm looking for pullback into 920. I would have liked to see us trade a little or close a little bit better above 940. But if we can get a pullback into 920, that's what I'll be looking to trade if I'm not actively putting out this plan. So let's jump right into the NQ plan this morning. It was very, very simple. It's very, very simple. The market looks bullish, right? We look to remain bullish. However, let's not forget where we are on the chessboard. Remember, the Queen of the North is still trying to defend her crown, right? She's lost a lot of her territory, right? But this swing high is still in control of this pullback, right? And that's what this is right now. If you look at the structure and how we came up compared to how we came down, the structure is that of a bear flag, right? It's not to say that we break down from this bear flag, but it is to say be very, very cautious of where we are right now. This queen is going to do everything in her power to defend one last time and potentially take us all the way back down. So that being said, what am I thinking in regards to my plan? My supply plan already got hit. shout out to the Discord fam. We absolutely dog walked the market last night for London. We actually took the market long at around 33, and my target was 18,020. I couldn't hold because, you know, it was a lot. It was a lot. I was in too minis, and I just wanted to get my money. So, but my target did get hit overnight, and, you know, it is what it is. But we tapped that supply zone for the first time. And remember what I told you guys, every time we tap a supply zone that has been untapped since it was created, it's going to be really, really strong. So on the 90-minute, it looks like this candle could be looking to reverse back to the upside, maybe give us about 90% of this back, or this uptrend will look to continue and take out this queen right here. So on the short side, I want to look to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 18,020.5 through all-time high at 18,121.50. I want to look to target 90-minute demand, previous day high, which is basically where we are right now. I write these plans beforehand, right? But they also play out twice. Like, they also play out throughout the day. Like, just because you're like, man, that trade already happened. It's like, yeah, it already happened. That don't mean it won't happen again, right? So bullish, same thing. Plans already kind of playing out. Look for buyers to defend 90-minute demand, previous day high, daily Fibonacci, sitting at 17,933, 33.25 through 17,872, which is the 50% daily fib. And we can look to long the market targeting 4-hour supply at 18,020.5 through all-time highs. Now, I didn't write these plans in the Discord this morning. I wrote this plan, but I'm going to give you some additional thesis that I have today, right? My additional thesis that I have is if for whatever reason we break below 872, doesn't look like we will because we held 910, which was overnight. It was the overnight low, right? Like, we held this area pretty nicely, right? So I'm expecting us to continue up. But I always look for the extremes, especially on days when there's high volatility, such as today. So if we break through the daily fib at 872.50, here's a break and retest play. You can look to potentially let this break, but you need to see a closure, right? You need to see a closure beneath here, and then look to play the retest off the daily fib at 872, short the market down. To the other side, down here, this is a level that I did not place on my chart. However, I'll put a line here and I'll say, okay, if we get beneath the daily fib, right, we have a false breakout to the downside, we can look for bounces off this little area right here. This is in ICT, they call this a fair value gap, right? From here to here is the fair value gap. This is also a 90-minute demand zone at 836 through 854. Look for bounces inside of this box. Now, to the upside, the extreme upside. If you guys have been here for a while, you understand what my area is going to be for, or what my thesis is going to be for a break above all-time highs. A break above all-time highs, you treat it like a break above any other thing, right? You wait for it to break out, you look for it to consolidate, and then you look for the pullback into potentially retest of all-time high. And then you look to get long. It's simple. Don't overcomplicate this once we get back above all-time highs, right? Instead, look to trade the market the same way you would trade the market based off structure. We just won't have a supply zone to understand where our targets are, so we can wait for price to trade down, and then we trade back up to that high. I'm not even going to mess around today. I had a really good day in the London session. I'm going to trade today, but I'm not going to mess around with anything that I'm not definitive about. So I'm going to give my due diligence. I'm going to call out price, but at the same time, I don't want to get back too many of my gains at all today. I just want to pad my stats today. So I'm going to size back down to 5 micros to start the day, just like I always do. And good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Oh, and go to my Twitter page if you could. It's at the Trader Shop, and answer my poll. I was sitting here and I was looking at the market and I said, you know what? I want to do a poll. So go answer my poll. Justin, you'll like this one. So definitely get over there and answer my poll on Twitter. So good morning, QWERTY. I hope that you people also caught that short. Let's go. Yeah. I didn't. Who you calling you people? No, I'm just kidding. But
oh my God, really? Really? That was your poll? That's what you want people to...
Oh, you saw it? Yeah.
No, well, I just opened, you know, I've been off Twitter for a little bit, just trying to focus. But I'll be back on there in a bit. But yes, I love pineapples on pizza. Stop it. Stop.
I thought you'd enjoy that poll, so I was like, I need to know. I'm so glad Xavier don't show up. Who's Xavier? Morning, everyone. Good morning, King LA. Lou F in the building says good morning, all. Wait, ain't that your brother-in-law?
No. Isn't wait, what was Purple Haze's first name? Wasn't it?
Oh, I can't remember.
I can't remember either. He got us. He changed his name.
He said eventually we forget.
Yeah,
That's what he said. He's like, that's all right. You guys will forget soon. Did we get that tap back into 920 yet? No, didn't. Oh, we retapped the previous day high, breaking retest. Very nice. 933 was the tap.
Xavier fool. Oh, your name is Xavier.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah. I remember now. All right. Yep. We tapped back into 933 while we were talking. And
yeah, I wanted a deeper pullback. I honestly wanted us to come all the way back down to 14, but
I wanted 22, but I also want to see us trade above 40 and then trade above 50. The previous 40. Structure.
Hey, nobody put fish on pizza is disgusting. Anchovies is the grossest thing ever. It's slimy. They smell disgusting. Gross.
I don't like. Heck, I've never. First of all, I'm black, so no, I ain't never even seen no anchovy. Definitely not seen no anchovy on no pizza. That's not something we do in our community, right? But sardines, I F with sardines. If anchovies taste like sardines, then yeah.
Anchovies are sardines.
Oh, is that the same thing?
They're the same thing.
Oh, see, I ain't know that. Yeah, well, no, they definitely don't belong on pizza. He said anchovies are sardines. Oh, but in that case, yeah. I know what anchovies are. I eat anchovies with hot sauce and mustard and crackers.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
That was when I was in poverty. Okay, I'm not in poverty,
bro. For a second, I thought you were gonna say that's when I was pregnant. I was about to say what? What?
Do another poll about fish on pizza. Okay, I'll do that. This one's gonna run for about 3 days. I want to see what people say over the weekend.
That's disgusting, man. Fish on pizza is disgusting. There's no fish you can put on a pizza that's gonna make it taste better.
No, I feel like I don't think pineapple on pizza is disgusting. I just think it's weird.
It's
right?
not.
It's just a weird flavor for me. Like it's sweet. I don't know. It's weird. I like grilled pineapples though, so I feel you. I understand the logic behind it. It's just not something I'm interested in.
Oh, well, apparently I'm getting schooled. Apparently anchovies and sardines aren't the same fish. I thought they were the same. I didn't think there was no difference between the two.
Aha! You've been
Whatever.
Called out.
Let's see. I can do a quick Google search. I want to see what they look like. Okay, anchovies. Oh, okay. Yeah, in the can. Yeah, so gross. Sardines. Man, they look damn near the same. They both come in a can. They look the same. I put them in the same thing. Maybe they're not the same fish, but they look damn near similar.
He said, ain't no difference. Ain't no daggone difference between these.
I feel like
these sea animals.
These sea animals. I hate you.
Where do you even find sardines? Like, where do they grow? Like sardines and anchovies. Like,
I don't know.
Who is out here taking anchovies from the sea, bro? Like, that's something I feel like you shouldn't be doing. You know what I mean?
That's actually a really good question.
You know, you're like, who is out here stealing little fishies out the area and be like, yeah, I want to eat that? Like, what are you doing?
And then they put them in cans, and then their juices are all slimy and stuff. It's so gross.
That's what I mean. Like, I don't get it.
Looks like we're about to come down. Forex crypto business says NZD Japan is a sell. That's the New Zealand dollar and Japan yen.
Probably they're going through recession right now, so you probably sell anything Japan you probably want to sell. So that makes sense.
Let's talk real fast about the news, guys. Don't forget today is consumer sentiment. So we had
no, he's talking to himself. He's talking to himself right now.
I am talking to myself. Matter of fact, I'm about to put this on my chart right now because y'all already know I'm gonna forget. Where's the anchor text at? We've got news at 10. News at 10 a.m. Okay, because I will forget.
Yo, Justin he be so forgetful when it comes to news, man. So forgetful.
And that should be my excuse for everything because I'll literally say it and then I'll forget about it. My wife gets so mad at me. She'll tell me a date and like I asked, she got a date coming up for something. I was like, "What's that date again?" She's like, "I just told you." I was like, "I'm sorry, I don't remember."
Bro, I told y'all need to download the family calendar, bro. That's the thing be saving my life, bro. Like it's only like $3 a month, like I think it's like $4 a month.
Well,
like that.
We share an Apple. We share the iPhone calendar.
Oh, bro, I'm telling you, that app is like a lifesaver. It's color coded. It's called the family wall. That's what it's called, the family wall. And you can add all your kids to it. They send out alerts. You can put grocery lists on there. Everything it's like everything that she's ever texted you that was important is in list form.
Oh, dang.
Download the family wall, bro. Trust me.
Valdez, are you looking at the book map right now?
The book map.
I call it the book map. I know. That's your fault. You call it the book map.
I do.
I
definitely
whatever.
do.
You look at book map. If you were looking at book map, there was a very slight, and these are the CBD divergences that I don't like because they're like questionable. But there was like a questionable CBD divergence that just happened. I probably wouldn't have taken it just because I would like to see like much more divergence as you see prices starting to come back down. But I would have counted that as a CBD divergence, and it would have been a quick I don't know, 8-point scalp. I still wouldn't have taken it though. But
yeah, we're at the bottom of this range though, so maybe scalps would be good here. I'm waiting on lower prices. I want to see us come down to. I wanted to see us trade above 50, but we tried to get above 50 and got dropped back down. So I'm gonna just wait till open.
I want to see us come back down all the way back down to 14 and hold, or either 14 or maybe down to about 24 to 14. I'd be happy with that. This is Here it is. Here's a CBD divergence. Oh, this one is really nice. If this one holds, I would actually take this long off the range. But I'm not at my screen. No.
You ain't never ready to trade, fool.
I'm not. I was looking. I still got time. I'm gonna take this here. I'm a little bit late, but take this, expecting us to push up. I'm only risking $40, so. Looks like we're gonna fall.
Where's my 5 second chart at? There it is. Okay.
Hold. Oh, yes.
Yeah, we about to hold this. This looks good.
Yeah, I'm taking this back up to the top.
Yep. Good job, man. Good job. That was a banger. I like it. I just had to go down to the 5 second. I was like, oh, yep, I see it. Triple bottom, baby. Triple bottom.
Yeah, I should have. I just would have waited a hair, but it's okay though. I thought I was gonna go.
Very good trade. We started off early, baby. Justin got some catching up to do though. Nice. Oh, you held through this pullback too? Oh, okay. Got you.
Yeah, I'm about to go to break even here just because we got to break this high. If this high, this is coming down. So I'm at break. Okay, I got to stop that for break even.
Yeah, 8:20. We got about 10 more minutes to market open, and I think we might come down a little lower for the open and then pop back up.
Yeah, I didn't like my position, and as soon as we started struggling at that high, I was like, okay, let me go to break even because if this thing doesn't break the high immediately, it's going to come back down.
I don't like the fact that we haven't traded back down to the daily fib yet. So I want to see us come down to like 872.
Selling though.
Same people who decided eating oysters are delicious. Yeah, facts.
Oysters are good. I had oysters.
But I'm about to get rid of this mofo, man. I'm about to put some applications out for a new friend because this dude's eating habits is just killing me right now.
Oyster, clam, that's all good. It's just
you like clam chowder, don't you?
Yeah, I do like clam chowder actually. I had never tried it until we got to Washington, but it was actually pretty good. What's wrong with clam chowder? Clam chowder is good.
You don't like mayonnaise, but you eat clam chowder?
Yeah, I don't like mayo. Well, I take that back. I tried mayo and ketchup.
I was about to say, don't start lying because I call you. I'll call your wife right now. Like, did you tell me your husband ate clam chowder?
Yeah, it was an accident. We were at like a Puerto Rican restaurant.
Yeah, and it was a delicacy. I don't care how delicate it is. I don't want to. What is a delicacy?
Oysters are also an aphrodisiac too, if you didn't know.
I don't need an aphrodisiac. I'm aphrodisiac black, baby. I don't need no disiac. Ain't no disiac needed over here, baby.
I knew he was gonna say something dumb. This market about to go.
Chocolate thunder around here. I don't need no disiac.
Oh my god.
Disiac, you know what I mean? Like I don't need no disiac.
Yeah, the market just stopped out a whole bunch of longs there, and took off, but now it's coming right back down. It's playing in this range.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, we're playing in this range. I'm not touching this thing.
I'm not touching it either. I got stopped out for break even on that first trade, which is fine. But yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not. I don't like abnormal stuff.
Yeah, he like none of the normal stuff and all of the abnormal stuff. And he'd be like, I'm normal. I'm easy. He's like,
pineapple. Wait, I don't like pineapples with tomato sauce. That's not a
thunder, baby.
No, wait, no. Hold up, we're going back to stories. We got time. Yeah. Marcus trying to sell off. I do not like pineapples and tomato sauce. I will not dip pineapples into tomato sauce and eat it. That's gross. I like pineapples and pizza together. There's cheese and bread involved in that equation. And oysters are good. Oysters, clams, all that stuff is good.
Do you eat pineapples like wrapped in ham sometimes?
No.
Would you?
I've never had that before. Sounds weird.
It sounds weird. Pineapples wrapped in ham sounds weird. What about pineapples wrapped in like Canadian bacon that are cooked?
Well, yeah. I guess that would be okay. That makes sense. When you put it like that's okay. That'd be fine. That'd be good. That's like a sweet and savory.
He was about to say no. He was like,
I can dig that.
He's like, you know what? That actually don't sound too bad. I'd actually eat that.
Yeah, I can dig that. I can dig that. That does sound.
All right, we're tapping into this red line, guys. Just I'm looking to potentially trade down here at 920. I want to see what price does down here at 922 through 920 area. If we don't get a bounce here, then I'm more so looking to see if price wants to trade all the way back down to 872. But I'm definitely looking for see what price does down here.
Ooh, they just put a limit order right there.
It's funny because this line on my chart, on my TradeAvate chart, is 922. Over here it's 925. So. But we didn't remember this low did not offer us a new high. So I'm either looking for us to hold this low and then the next low offer us the high, or we're going to sweep this low because it's technically the weak low right now. This is the lone wolf, this queen right here. All right, we're coming out of this range, looking to see if we can find some buyers down here.
Coming down.
Coming in hot.
Is that the... Oh, no, that's the...
Oh, I knew it! What did I tell you? 922. Dang! Dang. It happened so fast, I couldn't catch it, bro. Dang,
yeah, but we haven't gotten any continuation yet.
Oh,
though.
we about to. Bro, 922. I called 922 to 920. We tapped 922.5 and 922. Pew! And shot up.
Hey, what's this volatility
about? I was literally seconds away from hitting the buy button, bro. I was like, I should probably just buy it right now. Man. Oh, he who hesitates gets left behind. Wow, that was a quick 10 points. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Was that market open?
No, that wasn't market open. That was the crazy part about whatever the hell that was.
That was 922, bro. I told you. I said there's a buyer that's been sitting down here, and as soon as we tapped 922 to 920, this thing was like, shit. I was like, damn. Oh my God. I hope y'all got it right there. I literally just put it on the screen. I was like 922. Got the short after retrace. Nice. Oh, you got the short after the retrace? Nice. After that big pump up. That was 15-second structure, demand zone. Yeah, I'm watching it on the 5. I saw it tap into 922 on the 5, and I was like, I should probably just take it here. And the minute I blinked, it was just like, pew! I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll wait for the next setup. It'll come again. And that's why I was saying, like, this low right here is a weak low, right? This low right here is weak because it didn't offer a new high. But at the same time, if we're going to defend, we're going to defend right here, right? Right at this area right here between this red line and this black line. This is where we want to look to defend. And you see we're bouncing off the red line right there. So I just haven't seen enough on the tape to be bullish yet. I would more so just let all of this action pass me by until we start to trade above 5-0. Once we trade above 5-0, I'm interested. I don't want to play in this chop right now. Like I don't have the gumption for it early this morning. So I'd much rather wait to see if we trade above 50 or if we come back down to 872. Because I'm not seeing the aggressive buying on the tape. That was an aggressive sweep, but it wasn't aggressive buying to follow. So Tesla better stop playing and come down. Oh, are you shorting Tesla? I would have taken it, but I had my money, not giving anything back. Hey man, I'm trying to pad, bro. Weeks like this, the third week, I think in of every month when we have like CPI and all that stuff, nah, I don't stop trading. I'll be like, nah, I'm padding my stats. I'm trying to get it up there because the volatility is the best during these weeks. So now let's see if we hold this level and come back up.
They definitely trying to defend. There's a lot of strong buying coming on down here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait it out and see if we push out of 5-0. If we start trading above 5-0, I'll be interested. But down here, I'm just looking at this as one big range, which is fine. I just don't have the gumption to trade in the range today. I'd much rather just sit on my hands for the range. This is the overall range right here.
Yeah, I think we might be putting in that lower high here.
Absolutely. We got that trend line starting to come down right here, right? We just tapping the top of that trend and then we're starting to come down. So I'd love to see us trade down here to 872. At that point, I'm very much interested in the market. But in this range, I'm just going to let trade it. I'm going to let the market do whatever it wants to do. Plus, I know we have news in an hour or so. So I'd much rather just wait.
I'm looking at 877 because that level, that area, that 15-minute demand from yesterday caused that massive reaction. So I think we should get buyers to step back in there potentially.
You mean 5 points away from the area that I just said at 872?
I thought you said I thought you said I don't know why I thought you said 7. I thought you said 782.
I said 872. The daily Fibonacci is at 872. So when you said 7-7, I was like, so 5 points away from what I just said.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about the 30-minute that we reacted from yesterday, because that level is much further away. But yes, same area. You know, the numbers I be mixing them up all the time.
No, I know what you heard. When I said if we drop beneath 872, then I'll be looking for us to bounce off 2-hour demand from yesterday at 753 or whatever it was.
Yeah.
All right, we're trying to break down. Is market open yet? All right, yeah, market's open.
Just open.
Getting that liquidity sweep to the downside. Let's see if bulls want to defend or if they want to push price up. What time is that news?
10.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands till then. Go get me some breakfast, man. You got the stream.
No.
Stores is asking a question about.
No, we don't trade YM. I mean, I think it's basically the same as NQ though, right? Like the movement and stuff. But I think it's been opposite, right? It hasn't been moving opposite of NQ lately. I'm a very emotional person like Justin. Make life better with their positive. How am I emotional? Oh, wait, no, I'm very emotional. People like Justin make life better with their positive. Oh, thanks, RTRTR. I try to be positive. I'm not always the most positive person though. Don't let me lie to you. But I appreciate it though. Looks like we're getting a drop here, which means we're probably not going to hold. I want to mark this. 910 is the area I'm watching for a bounce though, potentially a run and then another bounce, and I can scalp it back up. Yeah, YM has been moving opposite recently. It'll give good setups too. Oh yeah, for sure. Everything gives good setups. I 1000% agree. But I think one day you were talking about it and I looked at it and it was like complete opposite of NQ for whatever reason. All right, we just broke through 910. Didn't really get a reaction, just continued selling. Coming back up though.
I'm gonna mute my mic, Jay, because I'm
about to smack.
Yeah. watch out for this low, and if this low doesn't hold, I'm looking for longs at 872. I'm probably not gonna take any trades, but I'm gonna mute. I'm gonna mute on YouTube.
This short, it's coming down. I'll look for a retest of what is this? I'll look for a retest of 921 to go short. We're breaking this low now, which is exactly what I want to see to go short, and I'll just target 877 if we come back up. Until then, I ain't got nothing. Oh my god. Why is it that Mo says just as a good dude? I appreciate that. Lots of guys would be jealous of him because he looks like Devontae Swing, but he a cool cat. I don't know who Devontae Swing is. I'm not gonna lie. So now I gotta look him up. Why is it the most? I have no clue who you're talking about. But yeah, I don't know what the market's been on. LOL. Sometimes NQ is delayed because YM is delayed. Yeah, well, they also have different stocks in them, right? Like, I don't know all the stocks that are in YM, but I think there's only 30 compared to NQ that's got 100, and then the S&P 500 obviously has 500. So, it could just be the makeup of the stocks for YM as well. And then male gossip is a disease. Says T House is like Bun B. That is hilarious. I know who Bun B is, and that's funny. That is funny. Tay said, "Don't sleep on T Hobbs. He got a fan base, but his girl, wow, she'll cut you." That she will, and she's lurking. She always in here. There's 33 people in here, and she one of them. My wife not in here though. She on a plane right now. So, but don't come after me. Don't come at me because she'll kill me too. Because what y'all don't know is that Miss Cheyenne is a detective. She's police officer Cheyenne in this B, right? She's Detective Cheyenne, and she'll tell real fast on me if I say something out of line. So I gotta stay good. Not that I would say anything out of line, except for that one time. We're not gonna talk about that though. And then Southside laughing. All right, we're coming back up to that level. Strong buying at this low right here. Strong buying. Like I said, I'm just waiting for this to come back up to my level though. Oh, we are in the 45-minute demand though. I forgot about this 45-minute. Let's see. Oh yeah, this 45-minute. I don't know if I actually want to short. Yeah, I might. I'm taking shorts off. I'm not shorting this market. I'll let this market sell off if it wants to. I would much rather long it back up. I forgot we were in 45-minute demand. I'm not touching the market short. There's too much demand. I think there's too much buying that's gonna get put offside. So I'll just wait. I'll wait to look to get long. That'd been a nice scalp right here though. Yeah, market looks like it still wants to come up. Go back to the 5-minute here. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. We're making lower lows and lower highs, but maybe I'll wait for like a larger pattern to show up or something on the tape. Gary Wool says, "Indeed, is it Wall or Wool? I never know. It's like Andy Warhol. No, never mind. But appreciate you, Gary. Shut up, Hobbs. Eat your food. Enjoy your food. I'm gonna drink my sweetest fish. Y'all don't at me. All right, so we're coming down now. Again, the market is just failing to push up. But I want to see. I want to see something that makes me want to get long. I haven't seen it yet. We had the nice sweep. Oh, actually, come to think about it. Okay. See, I'm not his girl. I'm his wife. She always lurking. So what I'm thinking right now, potentially, is on a higher time frame. Where's my pen tool? Here it is. Come on. What is going on? Where's the suit? Here it is. Okay. So what I'm thinking is this could potentially be our shoulder. This could be the head with this nice sweep here. And that can look again for this shoulder So I'll go ahead and I'll draw this line right here, and I'll wait and see if we come back and retest this. But this is contingent on the fact that I want to see us break above. I want to see us break above this level here for the reversal, and then we got this news at 10. So I need to remember news at 10. News at 10. So I kind of want to sit on my hands and kind of just let this develop, let price do what it's going to do till then. I mean, I continue to get the cosigns for my way of thinking. I don't know whether he's eating cereal. I feel like it's cereal. Damn, I'm good. I didn't know, but it's just by the way he was eating it, man. And he got the silver bowl, the big ass silver bowl. Man, he back living in his poverty days when he used to not have a bowl, so he used the big bowl. Okay, we don't need to see. Wait, is that Lucky Charms? Are those marshmallows? No. Wait, I can't. Hold up, I gotta make it big. Are those? Those are something berry. Something berry. Crunch berries. Crunch berries. That's okay. I just read. I just read your list. All right. So pretty much just waiting to see what happens. Unless something jumps out at me, I can take a quick scalp. I'm just chilling. Just chilling. We are making higher highs on this little uptrend that we're in, but overall we're still in this downtrend, so just not trying to fight it right now. Especially since we put in that lower high. It's a waiting game now. But maybe we'll tap into that 15-minute. If we tap into the 15-minute, I'd be more likely to take a trade earlier. Let's see. Do we have any more news or anything after? Oh, we got an FOMC speaker as well at 12:10. It's daily though. I don't think daily moves the market, so we should be all right. Man, I'm ready for the weekend. Like I'm ready for the weekend. Like I need a break. I can't. Normally I hate the weekends, right? Because I'd be like, man, I just want to look at. But I've had such a great week that I'm ready for the weekend. I'm just like, bring on the weekend, bro. But yeah, you're right. Yeah. I was listening to you. I'm over here commentating with my words and my facial expressions, but I'm like, at this point, I want 872. Yeah, the selling is getting really strong, and I want along the market. I also actually the funny thing is that short I would have taken actually would have worked out. Look at times like mid 2020, the short was there for the scalp, but the only problem is that we're in this demand zone, and I just don't feel comfortable trying to short the market this close to a potential bounce. That was the only issue that I had. It would have worked out though.
Why do I have these red lines down here? What was I doing last night? Oh, these are the lows and the highs. Okay. I was like, what is this? Where's this coming from? Okay. That's that low. This is this low. And then we got 783.
Woo, the selling.
Let the dumpage begin.
Yeah, the selling is getting strong. All right, we're coming down to break that low. Yeah, I could have taken that scalp. It's all good though. I'm not too worried about it. I had the area.
87250 is what I'm waiting on. I want to see how we react to that. Everything else is pretty noise to me.
We got a lot of strong selling going on down here. The good thing about NQ is anytime they put liquidity on NQ, you know that liquidity is going to be somewhat important. Like regardless of how, like as long as it's like 30 to 40, like you know that liquidity is something that they're actually watching.
On the 5 second.
Are you talking about the overall double bottom they're just having on the 1 minute? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't ever trust. I never trust double bottoms. Like, there's something about double bottoms that just I don't know. I've been burnt too many times on them.
Yeah.
I feel like there was some extra connotation to that.
Extra meaning.
Yeah, just the way he said it, I feel like there was some extra meaning to what you just said.
I love them double bottoms. You know what I'm saying?
They work for you, huh? They work. They work
you got
for
them
you,
double
huh?
bottoms working for you, huh? Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Good morning, Brian. Good morning to you, good sir.
Good morning, sir. Just watching this market, I'm more inclined to wait for a price that I want, which is 872. 872.50 is what I'm looking at. The rest of this is kind of noise. I think the market's I shouldn't say noise. The market's in a sell position, and I don't want to sell it, so I want to buy it. So I'm going to wait for either lower prices or we start to trade above a high that I like, and we haven't done either one of those things yet. So sitting and watching, Let's get it.
Yeah, the selling
this area is invalid now. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. And now we're in a different range. Now the new chess piece is this guy. So this guy is the high at 924, and this guy is the low down here. All right, range is 885 through 92425, ladies and gentlemen. We just broke through a low. So what do we anticipate the market to do? We anticipate the market to go into consolidation. Once we consolidate, now we have to make a decision. Do we want to is this distribution to go lower, or is this reaccumulation to go higher? We're so close to this level right here that I'm hoping that we just sweep out of this consolidation, right? We do something like this. We come down, fake this sweep of the daily fib. We trade back above 37, and then we come back up, and then we go.
Ooh.
Like no, you should be. We'll follow the structure. Follow the structure of the market, right? Like if the market is going to continue to sell off, then just go when it comes back up to a high, look to short it, right? Don't just say, well, I'm only looking for longs. If that's what you want to do, you can, but just remember, follow structure first. Structure hasn't shown us longs yet. Structure has shown us that we're staying in line. We're putting in lower highs and lower lows. The first question you always have to ask yourself is, what is structure doing? Is the market moving up or is the market moving down? In this particular trend, the market is moving down. So you don't have to fight. You don't have to look for the bottom. Just play the trend, right? That's how you get the definitive moves to the downside. Don't try to always play the scout back up. You can always look to trade back into structure and look for the move down, which will be a faster move because you're going with the trend. Does that make sense? All right, Justin called 877. I called 872. Looks like we just tapped 876. So let's see how we react to this level.
That's where I messed up Valdez. I let my bias get in the way of what was going on. And I had the market literally dead to rights. I called the short exactly where I should have been looking to short. But because I allowed the higher time frame demand and the fact that we already bounced off of it to kind of not skew my bias, but I guess just make me a little bit worried about what was going to happen. But the fact that we broke that low at 904 on the 1 minute, I should have just been like, okay, if we come back up here, we look weak, I'll take the short anyway, and I'll just accept what's going to happen. But yeah, it's all good. Because I definitely could have shorted that down. But yeah, whatever, it's fine. I think we still come down. I still think the market has a little bit farther to fall before buyers get interested.
I'm still looking for 872. I want to see how we react to 872.50. Potential higher low trying to be put in here above 7675. I just want lower prices.
Yeah, this is still not looking good to the upside just yet. Well, you could be getting your wish. This could be an all-day sell-off. It's another break. A lot of orders just got filled there, though, so now I'm interested. Okay, never mind. Well, maybe not. See if the selling continues. That's what I like to see. Those new buyers just got filled. We broke down, came back underneath, came up.
Yeah.
More new buyers just got filled at 8 at
I'm in at 7.9. Stops are at break even. Let's see if this thing pushes from here. We tap. I told you guys 87250. We tap 87350, and now we're moving. So let's see if we can start breaking some structure here and go back up. Tapped out for break even right there. Let's see if we come down and put this lower high, and I'll rejoin the bid. Tapped 872 right there. Now let's see what price does here. All right, flushing down through 872. There's a sweep of 872. Let's see if we continue to sell. Still no aggressive buying coming into the market. Still more selling than buying coming into this market. So took that break even right there at 879. Still waiting to see when the market wants to continue to. Oh, market looks like it wants to continue to tumble. If we wants to go down like Matumbo, then hey. Dunk it, dunk it, dunk it, dunk it. All right, so that area is theoretically invalidated right now. So let's see if see where the market wants to go next. We got 850, then we got 812, and then we got 7783. The selling wants to continue, then hey, let it dump. Let there be dumpage. I'm still not giving up on this 872 area being a potential sweep, but just not seeing the buying coming in yet.
Oof. Yeah, this selling is ridiculous.
Yeah, they mean business. They did not like that news. They was like, no, go down.
Oh, all right. Well, that area is toasted. We also have news at in 10 minutes, so that should be interesting. The selling is just continuing. I'm gonna get rid of this 45-minute now. Or this. Oh wait, no, that was the 15-minute.
Yeah, they cooking this zone.
45-minute. Oh, 45 minutes.
850, then 812. 850's gone. They just blew right past that. This selling is increasing heavily.
Yeah. I'm gonna mark this area. The 5-minute. Go ahead and mark this. Let's see here.
Oh, where art thou, buyers? Next level, I'll be looking right back to where we came from yesterday, which is 783. Let me zoom out to get an idea of how bad this selling is. Yeah, it's pretty bad. 1 hour is looking very vicious right now. This one hour time frame is looking extremely bearish. So again, yeah, we literally just broke through two different structures here on the 1 hour. So
yeah, for sure. If we come back up to 903, I'd be looking to short the market there. That'd be for a longer play short though.
Cook season.
Oh, here.
Bro, who the F was selling up there at 18,020? They was like, nah. The queen has defended her territory. She said, nah, B. Nah. I'm glad y'all came up here. Stair step up, elevator coming back down. Wow. Dang, I actually talked about this in my pre-market plan too. But yeah, I was a little bit too sold on the market pushing back up. But one break-even trade, I'm not tripping off that at all. I'll let this thing sell off. They're basically just taking out. They're basically just setting up. This was basically your typical set them up and knock them down, right? They set up all of these swing points, and now they're knocking them all down one by one. They're engulfing everything. Yeah. Your classic bear flag is what this was. I just didn't see it. I talked about it, but I didn't believe it, right? So I didn't have any what's the word? Any whatchamacallit? I didn't have any respect for the shorts. And they definitely gained my respect at this point.
Yeah, I'm
gained some respect.
I'm waiting to see what we do down here now. Ain't nothing left to do but try to long the market back up. No, I'm joking. Ain't nothing to do but just not to do nothing.
Well, we coming into 783 where we bounced yesterday, so
yeah. I watched it. I already over.
Oh, okay, my bad.
They were looking at mine.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I was looking at this 1 hour chart here, and I was saying that we talked about this morning. We talked about this guy or this queen right here potentially protecting her position, and I said that this rally was looking real bear flaggish, right? The way that it was coming up, it wasn't as clean as the way we came down. So this could be just one big lower high that we put in, right? Therefore, this is your classic stair step. So here's a stair. Here's a stair, here's a stair, here's a stair, and then elevator coming back down. In a matter of minutes, we sold off. I mean, this is 1 hour. We sold off probably 100 points. So, and I guarantee everybody that didn't have discipline, every single step of the way, they were looking to long this. Hell, I tried to take a long here at 872, and I immediately went to break even because I wasn't seeing the buy-in coming in. And they just took me out immediately. So understand what's happening right now. This is potentially an all-day sell-off. And it's funny because I actually mentioned that this morning. I was like, this might be an all-day sell-off because we've literally been stair-stepping up. Look at this thing. It's taking out swing after swing after swing. Holy crap.
Yeah, I wouldn't step in front of the way this selling right now. That last candle was a full body red candle with a lot of volume.
A lot of volume. Yeah.
I wouldn't. I'm not messing with this to the upside. And that 5-minute candle is egregious too.
Meta is getting the death stroke right now, guys. Meta is getting a death stroke. Nvidia is getting a death stroke. Microsoft is getting a death stroke. Apple, Google, Amazon, they're all getting slapped right now.
In 5 minutes.
Down. Go ahead.
In 5 minutes, we sold off 87 points on NQ.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. I was like, I'm not stepping in front of this train.
Micaiah said he got to put on SPY. It's up 90%. Let's go, Micaiah.
Yeah,
I'm done trading futures, so let me go trade SPY.
Lord have mercy. What a sell-off. That was impressive. I'm glad I didn't waste any tokens in that. Like, I'm glad.
We're getting some consolidation down here, though. And some buying is starting to take place down here.
Have we tapped into my demand zone yet? Yeah,
we're in demand.
Yeah. Well, looking at this 1 hour chart, I genuinely am afraid to touch. If I'm being honest, I'm afraid to touch longs. They just suck the life out of this market right there, and they're still selling.
Yeah, we might consult. Well, okay, so I actually do like longs down here. I like when we sell down aggressively, and now this could be the area where they load back up. I'm not saying we're gonna go like super. I don't know how high we'll go back up, but
no, I didn't say I don't like them. I said I'm afraid to take them.
No, I know. I heard what you said. I'm just saying for me personally, I like longs down here because all this selling. Now retail is going to want to sell, and they're all going to be looking to sell down here, and we should be able to trap some retail, hopefully. But it is the scary position to take. I agree with you there. It's not the comfortable position, but it could be the most rewarding one. But when it's selling like this, I gotta be patient. I can't just taking this first set of buying right here is a death sentence.
The rules have to apply here. This is when you stand on your fundamentals, because at this point, I'm not gonna trade shorts. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna trade them. Shorts need to come up to higher prices for me to trade shorts. And I'm not gonna chase the longs until the longs break some structure. So yeah,
I would just like to see some massive consolidation happen down here, and some shorts and some longs kind of. I want to see longs kind of try to accumulate themselves down here after all that selling, and then I can look to take the market long. Black Beauty Machine says, yeah, I made 300 on the long retrace, and Justin got a point because I'm doing it. There you go, scalping the longs.
Yep.
And then nice, you got a 10-cent trailing stop. I think you can trail your stop on Trade-Evade. I tried it. I don't like it though. I don't like the way the trailing stop thing works. I'm not a fan. But
yeah.
I really just do it.
Yo, these bears, they said, got him. They said, got him.
For now.
Oh, this is true selling, bro. Look at the 4 hour.
Oh, I know the candles. I agree. I just think this area could be the area where we could trap some sellers, some late sellers, and go back up. But then again, I could be wrong.
I think you're completely wrong. I think the way that we're coming down and that beautiful double top pattern that we got at 25, this market is coming for all of its ducats. Like, I think we're coming all the way down to 542, and potentially 484. That's what I think.
Yeah.
I think this is about to be a massive downtrend right now.
Makai says that was an option play. I use Thinkorswim. Yeah, I know you were doing options. I know, and I know how the trailing stop thing works on Thinkorswim. I haven't used it personally, but I've seen people use it. I think it's smart. It's an easy way to squeeze profits out of ES and NQ or SPY and QQQ, I guess, for options. I just would rather manually do it.
For those of you guys that do watch,
nasty.
For those of you guys that do watch DTFX, this is one of the things that he looks for when we put in all of these little whack swings. If he sees this double top, like this perfect, beautiful double top that I missed this morning, right? With the wicks are damn near exactly the same. One of the things he says in his videos is this is a sign that we're about to take out all of these lows, like all of these lows. So we'll see. We'll see how aggressive we get.
Ooh, that was the news.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's what I said. This is a sign that we're about to take out all of these lows, bro. Like, that's why I'm like, yeah, I think we might be coming down to like 484. Like, I think we're coming down. See?
Ooh,
this is the 4 hour candle, and it looks like the 1 minute. Yeah. Definitely gonna take a picture of this and remember it for the future, because oh my God, what did I do here?
That news
this is something that I 100% missed right here. I 100% missed this, and I'm definitely gonna go back and make sure I instill this in my brain. So much for being ready for the weekend. Yeah, that you missed some. Yeah, that's what I just said. That's literally what I just said. Like, I haven't taken any losses at all on the day, but I'm so astonished at how I'm so astonished of how blinded I was by the Bulls. Yeah, like that's how I'm feeling right now, bro. I feel like I took mad losses right now. Bro, I'm in the same boat. I'm like, man, I'm not even upset. I'm not even like, I'm really just sitting here like, wow, they really lulled us to sleep. And I said it in the freaking pre-market plan, and I still was like, nah, I'm just waiting on a pullback to go long. Shoot. Yeah. And now you see us in, yeah, I didn't even touch it. I'm so astonished by what happened. I just sat back and like, okay. Like I said, that double top Black Beauty Machine. Once you see that, and we put in all of these weak swings, right? These swings took out highs, but they didn't take out the queen. And once they came up to the beehive, so to speak, they got cooked. They got cooked. You know how many people probably got cooked buying calls or just long in the market? They all got comfortable with the idea that you could just buy calls and go, right? Not me. I definitely was looking to long this market, but not with this kind of selling coming in. The only other place I'd be looking to long the market is down here at 65725. I think that's the next area.
Well, ES got another nice bounce off of a 45-minute demand at 50.13. So see if NQ also kind of gets a bounce here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fight this trend. If this thing comes back up, I'm just gonna probably look to short it with the rest of the game.
Yeah, I'm looking at short. I'm looking at shorts at 17.76450, but
well, I'd like us to come back up to 87250, right? Remember, this was the other trade idea that I talked about this morning when I said, hey, to the extreme side, if we break the daily fib at 87250, we can look to get long down here targeting the fib, or you can just wait for price to come back up here and then short it down to 657 for the bigger move, right? So this is definitely something that we discussed. I just didn't think it would happen, to be honest with you. I didn't think that this is what I was going to see at all. Nah, I think we get another move here soon. I think buyers come in and buy this back up, and then we push back into 872. We had a very, very nice break and retest of that 4-hour trend line. You guys look at this trend line that we recreated on the 4-hour. We came all the way up into this bear flag, and then if you come down to the smaller time frame, that same trend line is right here. We literally had a perfect break and retest of that trend, and then a flush. I didn't see this at all in real time. Let me be very, very clear. I did not see this. I didn't see this coming. I don't know if like I was too euphoric about last night or what. I have no idea. I did not see this coming, not at all. But I know I can see it very, very clearly now. But of course, that's hindsight, so you can't really do anything about that. I'm just glad I managed. Go ahead, brother. No, I was just saying I'm just glad that I managed my risk properly, and there was no damage done to my account behind it, just my ego. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. No, ES is moving just as fast today. So it's something Justin always says: bad news spreads much faster than good news. And when this market is ready to sell, it will move much faster than when it's ready to buy.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Where are you looking at footprint charts at? Oh, was that that's the double bottom indicator you talking about? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm chilling too. Like I said, I'm chilling, but I'm analyzing what I missed, the things that I missed, right? The two things that I missed that I did not adjust to, right? And you know, if you're gonna talk about when you do good, you got to talk about when you miss something as well, right? So the two big things that I missed on the day, right? Here, I'll share my screen with the Discord too, so you guys can see. Because I may not even trade this today. Or at least not until this afternoon. I want to let the dust settle a little bit. But at least not the dust settle for the charts, but the dust settle for my mental where I am mentally. I know where this leads to, and I'm like, nope, hands off. Let me do something else. So the one thing that I missed was structurally right here. We had a structural shift right here, right? And what that means is the order flow changed. We broke through multiple lows, right? Multiple structural lows, but I ignored them because of this higher time frame 90-minute demand zone, right? However, when we came back up into the high, right? If we were to take this line right here, this previous low right here, right? Right back here. When we came back up here, this was a clear sign that it was time to get long or short. When the market failed to, remember I kept saying I want to see us trade above 40, then I want to see us officially trade above 50. And when the market failed to trade above 50, again, I ignored it, right? And then the market did again, broke below another order flow, right? Another block of liquidity was broken through. We came back into this area, and again, I ignored it, right? And did not look to short the market because I was so fixated on the idea that the market was going to bounce at 872 that I missed what was right in front of me. What was right in front of me, it was a great opportunity to short the market from 920. Even if I didn't short it in here, it was a great opportunity to short the market from down here, from up here all the way down to here. Moral of this story, what I just learned for myself for future reference is I don't care how bearish, I don't care how bullish the market is. I need to trade what I see, not what I think, right? And that's what I'll take away from today. I had a really great night in London, but my ego is a little bit scarred that I missed this opportunity, right? And I shouldn't say my ego. I should say I feel like I didn't do my job this morning when I did not recognize what happened today. It didn't cost me any money, so I did my job in regards to managing my risk. It didn't cost me anything. Literally one break-even trade after being up 1,200 on the day is not bad at all, right? Not at all. And honestly, until I see something definitive, like maybe a retest of the 87250, I'm going to be looking to be just a little bit, more assertive with my entries, not assertive, more cautious with what I'm seeing on the charts right now. So I'm seeing everything clearly. It's just, I'm just upset that I didn't see it on time, if that makes sense. Justin, you there? Or?
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, there was like a whole bunch of buying that happened right there, and I didn't know exactly what to make of it. I still don't know exactly what to make of it. But we're in an area where I think shorts might come in, but I don't know what to make of this buying that just happened. You see that on the tape? Those two big bubbles at
yeah, I think we're trying to push back into structure, push back into 872. The only way I would entertain longs is if we got above 787 and came back. I would just need to see some aggressive buying coming out of this area, which I think we're about to get. Yeah,
we're still buying this dip up. Oh my god, the 15-second just skipped up. Oh no. Although we're about to come back into that. Oh no, we're already back in that area. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of what's going on right now. It's gonna sit on my hands. But yeah, I feel you though. I let my overall bias get the better of me too today, because I like you thought that we were definitely going to bounce at some point a lot higher, and I literally had that 5-minute supply zone marked out, and I said if we come back to it, I'll look to short. And then looking at where we're at, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna fight.
Yeah, he was like, I don't want to short it in demand.
Yeah, and then that ends up being the biggest play. I mean, I literally could have held that with pretty much no problems. So
zero. The only question you would have had would have been, how much profit do I want to make?
Exactly. So yeah, it's unfortunate. I had the market data right, so I let it off the hook. But it's okay. There'll be another trade. There'll be more trades.
Oh, I'm not tripping, bro. Even when we miss, we don't lose no money. You know what I mean? Like I ain't even tripping. I missed the trade, right? And that's why I'm a little upset, but I'm not upset from a standpoint of like I'm having a horrible day. Like I'm actually having one of my better days of the week, right? So I'm good. It's just unfortunate because I know that would have been an opportunity to pad the stats really nicely right there.
Yeah, and I didn't miss anything from it either. I took one break-even trade. I think I was up maybe like $30 on the trade that I took in the morning. And I went to break even super fast because I didn't like the way we weren't getting above that high. So I was like, oh, I get above this high, I'm going to break even. But yeah, it looks like we're about to come right back down again. At least retest the low one more time. We did that thing again where we came up super choppy.
Yep, bear flag. It's the same way we did on the overall trend. Came up super bear flaggish.
Yeah, we're coming right back down.
All right, I took it for $100 right there. Quick 20-point move. I feel good now. I feel better. I participated.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, I got out just in time. I was like, thank you. You're struggling? Give me that. Give me that real quick. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yep. Yeah, I took it at 65 and got out for a quick 100 on 5 micros. Just trying to pad the stats. I needed to get a W just to make myself feel good right there. This looks like another opportunity to short. I might scalp it again. Let's see. You know what? I do want to trade today. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely want to trade. I just don't want to put on much size is all.
Here we come right back up.
Let's check on this poll on Twitter. All right, we got 18 votes on Twitter. Look, guys, go over here, go to my Twitter page and vote. This is very important that you exercise your right to vote, okay? 18 people have voted.
This is the one time where I will disagree.
Yeah, serious question. Before market open, does pineapple belong on pizza or nah? Leaving this poll up all weekend. I need to know. Get y'all butts over here and vote. 18 people says, out of 18 people, the majority of you agree with Justin that I love pineapples on pizza. 50%.
Good
33%
job.
say no chance, and 16% says never had it. So get y'all butts over here and vote, man. Vote. Justin cannot win this poll.
Oh, I can definitely win the poll.
Please don't let him win this poll, guys. It's gonna make us sound like the weird people. What's the news saying?
Y'all are the weird people.
Let me see.
Pizza. It belongs on pizza, y'all. Oh well, that didn't work.
Consumer sentiment is down. That's not good. Consumer sentiment is down 0.4% from the expected, but it's up from the previous. Inflation expectations are up 3% or up to 3% after the previous 2.9%. I don't know what that means. But PPI, core PPI was up bad. Yeah, PPI being up is bad. So there you go. Not that I really care because I don't, but I know people like to know. So yeah, these bulls are trying to come back. How do I check my P&L for the day on TradingView, or is that not possible? Yeah, it's possible right here. So if you're in your account, right, you just go to this little cursor down here, this little arrow. It says show panel, and if you're trading on TradingView, you logged into your account, it'll tell you your account balance here. It'll tell you your equity here, right? It'll tell you your order history, your account history, and your regular history, and also your trading journal, which I haven't quite figured out how to use yet. So it'll definitely tell you your open P&L and all that stuff. So you can get all that information on TradingView. What'd you say?
Oh, Hustle for Life sent a picture of he actually does have footprint charts on his chart. I didn't know you could do that on trading was it TradingView? Yeah, TradingView. I didn't know you could get that. Pretty dope.
Hey, very good, man. Follow your rules, Emmett. Follow your rules, sir. Good job.
Oh, that's on Ninja. Oh, okay. I did know you could get that for Ninja. You have to. Okay. Yeah, I knew you could do that.
Ooh, it looked like I got out of that short just in the nick of time. I literally top picked that thing and took it down for $100. I was like, yeah, let me get that. All right, here comes the buying coming out of this area. That's the aggressive buying I was looking for. I did not have us coming all the way down to 713 today. That's for sure. I mean, it was a demand zone that I had. It was part of the extreme plan, but I didn't write it in the plan, right? So, but goodness gracious. If Bears fight this the whole way, this is what I want to see. I want to see a full-on battle from Bears the entire way up. I don't want to see this thing come up super aggressive. I just want to see a nice, strong fight, right? Something like this, right? Where we just grind up. Why is this magnet on? I freaking hate doing that. We grind up. We get up to about the daily fib for a retest, and then we elevator back down. And that's the trade I want to take. So I'm just going to sit on my hands and wait for that trade, or I might just do some scalping on the way up here. So we'll see. Oh, we also have this level here on the 15-minute that's in play. If we go to the 15-minute, we take this Fibonacci retracement here, and we go from this high to this high, or this low. 824 is also an area where the market could potentially give it all back, right? Come down a little lower. So watch this area, and then also watch this area here, right? So right now we're looking very bullish, though. Very bullish. This is a very bullish candle right here on the 15 minutes. So
yeah, it definitely was.
Some reason I don't have those options. I'm logged into TraderVate. You logged in from TraderVate? Yeah, you should have that option, brother. Just go into, if you don't have those options, let me see. It might be something you got to turn on. Go into your settings up here, this little settings bar that they changed this morning because I didn't know. I was looking for the little gearbox, but they changed it now so that they both look like the one where I find inverted tools. So go into your trading settings right here where it says trading, and then go buy, sell, make sure those both are on. Go to notifications, turn positions, profit and loss, and reverse button, orders, bracket loss on, extend price to the right, orders, execution, and positions on screenshots. Turn all of that on, and let me check the status line, title, open market, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's all good. No, scales and lines, no. Okay, canvas, that's okay, yeah. I have all, you should have this, bro. You should have a trading panel. Right, it should be in the bottom right corner. It should say show panel. I don't think that there's a way to turn this off or on. I think this is automatically on. So show favorite drawing tools. Yeah, if there's a way to turn the trading panel off, I've never known how to turn it off. So I've never touched this on or off, but there should be a drop down menu right here. Once you see it, yeah, it's there, bro. You just probably overlooking it.
Oh, yeah, he said he logged on to TradeOvate, which is probably the best way to do it, honestly, in my opinion.
Or that, yeah.
Oh, let me get into here. No, don't you do it. Don't you do it, market.
This market must sell off. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, don't ruin your Friday, Emmett, man. If you hit your rules, you hit your lot limit or your allotted amount, and just walk away, bro. Bear flag being broken again to the downside. Let's see if we hold this low or do we keep going further down. This thing looks egregiously selly today, guys. Egregious. Yeah, we're breaking down. Selling is increasing. No buyers in sight.
Yeah, it was another
one of those days. Hey, what's going on, Justin's number one fan? Good morning.
Oh, she must have made her way from the airport.
But don't have the trading journal. Yeah, it should be down there, brother. It should be down there.
Ooh, look at that.
For the settings, though, I was wondering how to turn on instant order execution. I was having to confirm buy or sell every time. Yeah, I've played around a little bit with TradingView. You got to play around with it, or watch some of those YouTube videos. They're really good YouTube videos on how to deal with TradingView.
Coming down, coming down. Yeah, this market just
yeah. They not playing no games today, bro. They coming for all they smoke. All of it. Let's see if we hold right here though. This is where the buyers need to defend if they're gonna push this back up. They need to defend 750. This will let me know if they kind of serious right here. If they defend this. Eesh. Man, this feels like a trap. Let's see.
That we will.
Lot of buying. 20-point move right there. That was nice. Very nice. Let's see if we come back in the structure in the 783 and then get pushed down. Dang. Boy, these sellers mean business today.
Yeah, they do.
They mean business today. They like, yeah, all that lucky shit going out the window.
Down here.
Hope y'all protecting capital today, man. Don't get cooked. Don't get cooked by this price action, y'all. Don't get cooked trying to long this market all day. Like, don't do that. I know what y'all thinking. Yo, we've been bullish all year. It's gonna come back up. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, it could, but it don't look good. That's all I'm saying. Like, it do not look good right now. It's looking real bearish out here in these streets. Just be careful. Gotta go. Thanks, gents. Have a great weekend, everyone. Blessings and cheers. Yeah, absolutely, man. Have a good weekend. You guys don't ruin your Friday by doing something dumb. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it. I started the day off good. I'm gonna end the day off good. The only thing I need is a couple 100 points, couple $100 every single trade. I'm good. I really like longs down here, but you just need to show me something. These bears, bro. No, thank you.
They are strong.
They are very powerful right now.
Jesus Christ.
Hook session, bro. That's what I'm saying, man. I'm telling y'all, be careful out here in these streets trying to long this market, man. I get it. I see it too. I see the opportunities, but these bears do not care. They have one mission, and it's to dump this market right now. So if you think I'm joking, just look at the 4 hour and you'll see exactly what I see. I think this market wants down. I think it wants down in a hurry. Oh, girl, you screaming in my ear. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm like, dang. Good morning. I was like, damn. Good morning. How are you? It is. It is Friday. Friday.
That's gross. As you should. As you should.
Oh my God. Please don't. Boy. Nah. You good. I'm looking to take this market long. That's why I'm being quiet over here. Trying to take longs down here. I think the market wants to push up a little bit, but every time we get any type of scrappy, every time I put a line, it's like, hey, just get over this line and I'll look to long it. The market comes right back up to the structure and dumps even further. I'm just like, dang, can the Bulls get a W at all? Or are we just gonna dump all day?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, like every piece of structure, I'm like, okay, if we get above this, I'll look to long it and we'll come back to it. Nope. I like that hold right there though. See if we can push up out of here. There we go.
Ooh.
I thought we wanted out. I thought y'all was thumping out of here. Jeez.
Oh, Jesus Christ, man. These bears.
Yeah, they coming. All right, I'm long 753.
Yeah, I got long 753 as well. But
shut up. Don't be trying to be like me, bro. I'm low 753. I'm trying to hold through this because I think this could be the bottom to take us back to 825. And that's basically what I'm trying to go back up to. 825 and then potentially 885. Yeah, I'm thinking I might add to it too. If we can break above 92. We just need to freaking push, man. Jeez. Yeah, this has been annoying, but I felt like
I've lost 3 trades trying to long the market in this area. Yeah. But this one is at least going to be a winner for me. If we can push and get above 997, I'll feel a lot better about this trade, though.
Yeah, that's what I said. If we can get above the 90s, I think we'll be good. But I just don't want to see this thing reverse super fast because we're going against the trend here.
Yeah, because this could be stop out season right here. But
come on, man.
They are struggling. This is I'm gonna put my stop right there. I'm at least gonna secure 80 out this.
I'm taking something.
There we go. All right, I secured 80. I got stopped out because I don't know. It's just we're making another lower high here. In the 1 minute.
Yeah,
I'll take that. I'll take that W. I need
Jesus, man. Jesus, they came right back down, bro. Yeah, that's why it's super hard to long the reversal of this trend. Because it's just you never know when the reversal is gonna come. Instead, we just keep pushing right back in the structure and going back up. Going back down.
Another trip up, but I'm not. Nope. Not this time.
Nah,
we take this trip back up.
They can do it without me, bro. We're gonna keep playing games like this. Let it do its thing. Yeah, I'm out.
Here they go again.
This is that chop. This is that chop that we always have, that little sideways action we have before we reverse.
Yeah.
But if you don't get the great, you just don't feel comfortable on Apex holding if you don't get a good entry, you know what I mean?
Hustle for Life got the best analogies.
Man said I'm shaking like a paint mixer. Yeah, I'm not messing with this thing. I'm not messing with this thing, bro. When the market comes down like this, bro, I just get out of the way. I'll be like, nope, I'm not messing with it. I already know where this goes. I'm just gonna continue to try to long the market, and I'm gonna continue to get cooked. So I'm like, nope, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. I already know where this goes.
Yeah, I'm small red right now, and I'm with you. I'm about to go back to like the 15-second, but now we just actually Nancy again. This is looking really good for longs.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's like, and this is the one. You're like,
the one that you pass on usually is the one, right?
Oh, I'm seeing green. And I saw exactly what I would have wanted to see. But the selling is strong, though.
I was about to say, I don't know what y'all see. I see a whole bunch of selling and buyers getting engulfed at every single opportunity. I'm like, I don't know what y'all looking at, but this market is bearish as hell.
Yeah, there's the break right there. I'm seeing red.
Yeah, I think if we're gonna go long, it's gonna be down here. But I think the market wants to come down to lower prices before it takes you out, like before it goes. So we got, yep, that's the way I'm looking at it, bro. I'm like, nope, I'm chilling.
Well, again, this is the pop. We broke the low twice, and the CBD diverged so heavily. Oh my god. But every time the buying starts, there's no follow through in the buying.
Nope, that's the problem. It's like there's nothing stopping. There's nothing that's definitively saying, "Hey, we're ready to come up out of here." Because every time we put in any type of volume, it gets engulfed by the sellers. That's why I'm just like, nah, break above some structure first, and then I'll be interested. Because that break that we did have, it wasn't a solid break.
And then here we come right back down.
Yep. That's why I said, no, thank you. I already know where this goes, bro. Your best bet is when you see that volume coming in, just go ahead and short it back down. That's where the real money is, following the trend. Right now, if you're getting long, like I think the longs will come in. It's just a matter of which one of these pops is going to be the pop that takes us out. That's the question.
Oh, this is an inverse head and shoulders right here, though, on the 15.
Yeah.
You see that?
Let me pull out.
On the not 15 minute, 15 seconds.
I was like, what?
Sorry,
I'm like, this is not an inverse head and shoulders on the 15 minute. Let me see, 15 second. Oh yeah, it is.
I'm willing to die on this hill. Yeah, that was the inverse head and shoulders right there. Whether this plays out,
bro, I'm sick. I'm sick about missing that move, bro. It really like I was legit upset about that move, bro. I was like, yes, I definitely had a bias. Yeah, bro. There was nothing you could tell me. We was waiting on pullbacks to go long. That was it. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly the way I looked at it, bro. I was like, yeah.
Man, what a
I'm long here,
beautiful
too.
inverse head and shoulders. Jesus.
I'm long at 55.50 full size. You got it at 40. All right, man, Valdez, you about to get kicked out, bro. We about to release you from your duties. Well, the buying's increasing, so I just want to see us trade above 92, and I think we go.
I'm so mad I missed this move. I saw the inverse head and
Bro,
shoulders.
you gotta pull the trigger, Jay.
I saw it too late. I saw it too late.
Yeah, why not? Why not? You know what I mean? That's what I be on. All right, I'm out. I'm out for 600, guys. I'm done trading for the day. I'm fucking done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for the day. The market owes you money, but the carnage that just took place trying to long this market, I'm just happy to be back green and be back good and up even more than I was in the overnight session. I got all my bread back and some. Yeah. All right, we're good. We're back good. Sorry, StreamYard, YouTube folks. We was back here fighting these longs down here. Y'all don't trade currency futures? No. I mean, not that we don't. We just never have. Today's for the Bears. Yeah, possibly, but that doesn't mean you can't long the market, right? Like, so I don't trust longs right now. That was at 9:31. That was 7 minutes ago. Bet you trust them now, don't you? I'm seeing red. Yeah, I seen a lot of red down there, but I saw what Justin was seeing. And once I saw it the second time, I said, you know what? Screw it. I've already lost down here. What's it gonna hurt? If I'm right, I'm right. There's a trade above 92. Yes, sir. Go get your money, brother.
Dang, Pippi was out here longing and shorting the hell out that bottom.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, the market played with me too much. I had to get my 600 and run. I'll come back and get some more next week. I'm good. I finished the week up. I'm $1,000 away from getting my payout. So next week I'll work on my payout. Now I'm a little salty that I cut that, but that's okay. That's all right. I cut it 40 points ago. Oh no, I'm not. No, I'm Gucci, bro. I'm super good. Oh, that's right. That's right. I'm up because I made bread this morning, so it's like, you know.
Oh, this
dang. Yeah, this is the same trade I took this morning. Get in there. Get in there. He said, yeah, look at that. That just don't get greedy. Start securing your profit. Make sure you're taking care of yourself first. And, you know, if you're up 1,000 and you're willing to get back 2, set it so you get 800, 900 at the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't get to the point where you're just like, nah, I want 2, I want 3, bro. We traders, we can make another 1,000 on another trade. You know what I'm saying? But if you give back 500 of the 1,000, you ain't really make 1,000. You just saw 1,000. So,
I think this thing's about to go.
I think it's about to go too. I think we're about to really push. But I would just squeeze it. That's all. Like that would be my thought process. Yeah, what I did was what made me bullish on the move is when Justin was talking, I stopped and I said, okay, let me not do what I did at the highs when I missed the short opportunities, because Justin called out the shorts too. It's just that he'll call them out and then I'll just be like, nah, I'm looking for the longs. But this time when he called out the shorts, I listened. I said, okay, I just drew this box right here and I put a fib down, and you know the fib comes right here. At 744, we pushed up super fast and I got in at 755, put my stop down here. I said, all right, last trade, what you gonna do? And this mofo took off. I said, oh, my target was 872. But again, kind of like I did last night, I bitched up when we came up to 90s. I was like, nope, that'll do. But that's all right. We're working our way through it, working our way into a nice payout here. So short week next week. Micaiah says short week next week. NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. If they don't sell off today, they probably will Tuesday. Yeah. I mean, I honestly, like, that sell-off just threw me off my square. It definitely did. I'm not gonna lie. I got rocked And not because I was down in the market. I just got rocked because I missed such a great opportunity to short the market because I was so vigorously ambitious on the longs. And if you're looking for longs now, like for me, yes, sir.
Me too, bro. Me too. I'm about to be up in here, and the wife is going this weekend. I just gotta deal with my kids, but yeah, I'm being here all weekend probably.
Yeah, let's get it. You already know where I'm gonna be at. For me now, I'm looking for price to trade back into this little box here, right? So I want to see us come back into here, maybe trade back into 764, and I'll look to take it long again. I know I said I was done, but F that. Give me my money, market. You feel me? Ain't no reason to stop when we know how to trade this market. Adding that extra runner, bro, like I think I was in at 4.5 and then I added another position at 55. That's what happened. Or at 50. Something happened where I added to the position on the way up and it just averages me in at like 55 or whatever the frick it gives me. I don't care. When I see it, they lucky I didn't add the full bag. I was about to add the full 2 minis. That's what I should have done, and then I would have really been done on the day. Because once I catch that momentum now, like I'm adding to that momentum immediately. I'm like add. That way I can increase my gains on the way up. Remember, we're still bearish, right? But we're bullishly recovering a lot of price action that we just had, right? So if you're looking to get short for my blood, I like shorts at 904 or that other level that I have on my screen. I think it's 824. So 824.50 is about 50% of that 15-minute candle, right? So we zoom out, go to the 15-minute candle. This candle, it could be a bullish push, or it could just be a little drop in the bucket in the overall grand scheme of things, because don't lose sight of the idea that we're bullish. We're definitely bearish. Just pull back and look at the 4 hour, right? You pull back and look at the 4 hour, you look at the 1 hour, right? You look at the 15-minute, we're still very much bearish. So this aggressive push, it's good for a scalp, but I wouldn't overstay my welcome, right? Until the market starts to push back above major structure, we're bearish, right? And if you guys, for you trend line fellas out there, ladies and gentlemen, you know that when we come back up into this trend right here, right, this little trend that we have forming right here, you expect us to push right back into this area and then find sellers. So just be careful if you're long.
Yeah, we're holding this prior high right here at 797. That's why I was watching that level for the break, because that's the level I wanted to see us hold. So right now we're doing a break and potential retest.
Bet. Store says, question for Top Step, what happens if we make more than 50% of the profit target on one trade? They don't count that profit at all, or some of it? No. They count all of it. They make you make more money, right? Mm-hmm. So your biggest green day can't be more than 50% of your overall total amount that you made. So let's say the profit target is 3,000. If you make $2,000 in one day, you're going to have to make 3,500 to pass the combine, right? So those next trading days, they're either going to make you trade more, or you're going to have to make more money overall. So you got to average out the percentage. So it doesn't matter how much you make, as long as you can average it out, you're fine. Just make sure you can average it out. You can make 3K in 2 days, and you can still pass the $3,000 combine. And just be like, oh shit, he passed it with $6,000.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no limit on how much you make. People just don't like to go over because they like, look, I'm just trying to make the 3K and get it in. 15-minute looks good for a rally base, or 5-minute looks good for a rally-based rally here. So look for potential push out of this thing. If we fail here, we're going to just continue to the downside, though. Looking like that nice little wedge pattern we like to see before we go back up. You still in, Valdez? Oh, nice. That's a good trail. You in one mini? Yeah. You're scaring at least a buck. At least a nice little bucky. Nah, we don't mind that. We don't mind those duckies. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, bro, I feel so much better. And here's the thing. I'm also like, I'll feel way better holding for a little longer once I get over this threshold. Once I get over this threshold, I give myself a little cushion over the threshold. Then it's ain't no more scared. Don't hold, Hobbs. It's like we going up, and I know we going up. Yep. Let's get it. No, bro, get underneath that low, bro. Give it 800. Yeah, give it. I would go to 800. Yeah, bro. You don't need this thing to go all the way up. You need to make sure you securing bread in your pocket, bro. You up another 40 points. You up another 30 points. You gonna get a market 30 points? Fuck no. Because remember, this could potentially be a head and shoulders right here, right? So when we push above there, if we fail, that's that double top on the 1 minute. We could come down and break through that structure, take your bread, and then come back up and then drop. You know it, right? So you anticipate it and you start to realize, like, okay, if I was looking to short this, how would I trade this? All right, well, let me put my stop here because I'm not trying to give back. I understand you want to hold to the end, but remember, we're traders, bro. Our job is to make money off the facilitation of price. That's it. You've already done that, so don't give a lot of it back. You know what I mean? Take your bread. Because think about this on the tape. You see the tape? This right here was the opposite of what you took this morning. If I was to invert this, you took that liquidity sweep at the bottom and you took it long. This is the exact opposite of that. This is a liquidity sweep to the high, left shoulder, and then we're looking to break this structure right here to come back up and then potentially go lower, right? So, and we're right at that 15-minute retracement right there that I just told you guys about. See that right there? This is 7824. This is what we just talked about. We're at 820 at the high. And now the market is looking to reverse. And if we dip back and we look on the 15-minute, guess what? This is a drop in the bucket because the market's probably going to come right back down, right? So just be careful if you're looking along this. I just got y'all out of some trouble right there, bro. And here we come. Because there's your 90. You'd have been out of you'd have been out of freaking 30 points right there. It's just not worth it, bro. Like I just learned that I understand people want to trade one time a day. I get that. And I don't have no problem with that. But I just feel like for my own sanity, I would much rather secure 30, 40 points at a time and take multiple trades than to have to sit through, until I build a cushion. You know what I mean? Like I understand traders that have hundreds of thousands of dollars in the bank that say, I'm only going to take one trade a day and I'm going to sit in this thing all day. You know why? You know why that they can do that? Because they already made their money. They already got a bag sitting at the crib. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't there yet. So I'm going to scout my way up to the top. And then when I get to the top, I'm a swing trader. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I'll wait on my bread. No problem. Good morning, Yvonne. How you doing, brother? I got some messages here in the DMs. Let's see. Y'all are being reacted to sell off from confidence builder, especially in news. Still long since 5 p.m. Wait, what is this? Is this today? You said nice, bro. You must didn't even read his message. You spare read his message, didn't you?
What?
Pop's deal.
No, I didn't speed read it. He said that he said that his that the market reacted to his levels and that he was building confidence off that. And I said, nice. Right? Am I wrong?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. My bad. I was reading January 24th's message. And didn't respond to him.
Okay, I was about to say.
He's like, am I right? Like, no, I had to read it again. I spare read it, I guess. 1 to 3 a day at the most. Set must be there, and that's. But again, Black Beauty Machine, that is okay for the individual, but that's preference, right? That's not law. And I don't like when people make preference into law, right? Like, I think a lot of traders that tell you should only be taking 1 to 3 trades a day. It's like, well, let me check your resume, right? I'm not saying I need to know how much you make every day, but how much money is in your account that you're okay taking just 1 trade a day? I'm not saying that you can't be profitable that way. I think you can be profitable any type of way. I just think that it's much easier to only take 1 trade a day when you're not trading a combine account or you already have multiple sources of income, right? Like, I think that it would be much easier for me to trade just 1 time a day if I wasn't looking to get to a certain number to make sure that I get a payout in March, right? That'd be much easier, right? But I enjoy trading. I enjoy clicking the button. I don't know. It's like gambling, but strategically. I enjoy it, so I do it, and that's my preference. And I think it's okay to have your own preferences. I don't have a number. I don't care. Like, I genuinely don't care how many trades I take in a day. I don't care, because the way I look at it, the traders that take 1 to 3 trades a day at one point took 40 to 50 trades a day. At one point took 60 to 70 trades a day. And now they're telling you, after everything that they've done, you should only take 1 to 3 trades a day. It's like, no, you should take 1 to 3 trades a day because you've been taking trades for 7 or 8 years. I should be out here trading 40, 50, 60 times a day because I need the screen time, the experience, and the feeling of winning and losing. I'm working my way up to work myself down to 1 or 2 trades a day. So happy Friday. You know what it is. You already know, Yvonne. Let It Flower is going down. Yeah, 1050, baby. 1050. I think we're going back down. This up move looks super choppy. Unless we get some aggressive buying coming in, I think I'll be looking for shorts at around 815 or back into 872. But we'll see. I got my levels marked. I know where I want to trade, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, I would see. This is the whatchamacallit, the trade that if I was still in it, I'd be sweating bullets right now. I'd be like, oh my God, just go up, please. And then it'll just give you just a little bit. It'll come all the way up. It'll tap that zone and immediately flush. And you'd be like, why did I hold through that? Why? Why did I hold that trade? You know why you held it. You held it because you thought it was going to keep going up. We got our head and shoulders potentially forming here. The last shoulder trying to be put in right here at 818, 820 area for a potential shorts here, right at 813, sorry. Do. Right. Come on down. Short 803.50, guys. Going to break even here. Don't want to take too much of this here. Just looking for a quick flush to the low.
I got short.
You got ahead of me. I knew it. I knew you was getting short. I knew it. I was like, Justin over there, buddy. He's like, got him. All right, just looking to pad the stats here for a quick $100. I'll take that right there. Thank you very much, market. Boop, boop, boop,
I'm going for this. I'm going for this potential.
Yeah, I think the low. I think the break of the low is coming, but I didn't want to stay in. I'm just looking to pad. I think it's going to break. I do Valdez. He's like, yeah, that's bad. I want that low break. Yeah, we know. Yeah, I called it out perfectly. I was like, yep. I know Justin drew this line right here at 813. I was like, he's going to look to get short right here, and then you're going to take it right down. Let's get it. New trend. Yeah, new order flow on the 1 minute. Yep, 100%. We broke that low at 796. We came down and put that lower high in. I was like, oh, time to get short.
Yep.
You get short down to 786. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, but see, now we coming right back up though. That low ain't breaking. Oh, come on.
Yeah, it's no fighting because you're going with the trend. You're going with the trend.
I don't like
we should eat this candle back up, guys. We should eat this up, but we'll see what happens. I took my profits already. I wasn't messing around in this trend, but I think we come down. Let's see if these sellers get busy down here on the tape. Yeah, why do we fight it, right? Why do we fight it? Don't fight it. Justin, like, uh-oh.
I know.
It's not about how much money you have. It's about waiting for your setup to ensure profit goals you set for yourself. Pippi says shorts are dead, guys. Yeah, I mean, the scalps are still here. I made money off the shorts. Yeah, I'd agree with that, Black Beauty Machine. I'd agree with that. I would agree that, but well, I think that I agree with the sentiment, but I also think it's a debatable point, right? And this would be my side of the debate, right? My side of the debate would be if you walked into a room as a gambler, right? Because trading is similar to gambling in a sense, right? If you walked into a room as a gambler, right? Do you think that you have a better chance of winning, right? If you can take, if you have more capital, right? I don't want a bagel, so I had cereal. If you have more capital than the person sitting next to you, right? Like if you're playing poker, you can outlast the person next to you. Now, I understand that the trading analogy doesn't really work as well, but give me a second. I have more capital than the person next to me, so I can outlast that person, right? Which means I'm not really worried about every single hand. I'm more so looking to go all in to flush him out of his position when I get the exact hand that I want. And that's the similarity in regards to trading that I would say capital gives you, right? When you have more capital, it's a reason why people feel more comfortable trading 150K, 300K accounts, because they feel like they have more capital to be either put on bigger size and trade one or more times, right? And then, and again, I'm not arguing whether or not you're right or wrong for trading 1 to 2 times a day or 1 to 3 times a day. That's not the argument. I think we're just debating whether or not it's okay to trade either way. I think it's okay to be either person, right? I think it's okay to trade 1 to 3 times a day. It's just not my style, right? And I also think it's okay to trade 40 to 50 times a day, as long as you're proper. The biggest thing for me is risk management, right? As long as you're managing your risk, right? Pippi says shorts are dead, guys, and I'm starting to agree with him because we're building value down here at this 2-hour demand zone. That's why I scalped it. I wanted to get out. If we weren't going to put in a new low, I was like, I'm out. You need to paper trade if you have it that bad. I don't think, again, see, I guess that's the problem that I have with the debate. Why is it that what you're doing, trading 1 to 3 times a day, is good, but what I'm doing while taking 30 to 40 trades is bad? I don't have it bad. I just like trading, right? That's not a bad thing. I'm trading a lot and I'm good at it. How is that bad? You're trading a lot less and you're good at it. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, I think the problem is that people feel like, well, my way is the best way. My probability is the best way. No, the best way. No, the best way is how you pad your stats, whatever that is. We all win, right? I don't think that my way of trading is bad. I don't think it's good. I think it's my way of trading. I don't think that it's the only way you should trade. I don't think that it's the only way that you can win. I respect everybody's way of trading. What I don't respect is when people tell you your way is wrong because my way is more efficient. It's like, if your way is more efficient, then if your way is more efficient, why are you worried about my way? You know what I mean? Like, that's the part I don't understand. It's like, why? If you're good, why are you sweating what I'm doing?
98. I got long at 806.
Good job. Shorts bias as well. Ping pong not going to fool me though. I'm already up, way up. Yeah, I'm good. I'm up. I'm good. I don't need to take another trade, but I will. Because I got it bad, baby. I got it bad, Black Beauty. Do you hit the like button for good luck? Absolutely. Black Beauty Machine says, I want the odds to be in my favor as close to 90%. One fighter does many punches, but doesn't land. The other fighter hits 3 solid punches and TKO. Name me the fighter that hits 3. Name me the fight. See, this is the bullshit I be talking about right here. Name me the fighter that goes into the ring, right? Like, it's just it. Like, hold on, I got it. Name me the fighter that goes into the ring and only takes 3 punches. And if he went into the ring only taking 3 punches, how many punches do you think he took to get to the point where he could make only 3 punches? Right? Like you're only fueling my analogy, right? The fighter that got to the point where he could be 90% efficient, you as a 90% efficient trader, I promise you weren't always taking 3 trades a day. You weren't. So just stop. Like I just look at it like this. There's nothing you can do in life that you only do it 2 to 3 times a day and you get better at it. That's impossible. That's not how life works. So why would trading be any different, right? If I come in this game as a new trader and I say, well, this person said I should only take 1 to 3 trades a day, so that's how I'm going to learn and that's it. All right, good luck. I think that is a mistake. But at the same time, that's my perspective. And I respect your perspective, but I think that when you're making certain points, it kind of fuels my perspective. That's all. What it do? Pippi bounce off 784 is a hint, but I have trust issues. Yeah, we're definitely bouncing off this demand. I think Justin switched his bias to long. So good call, Pippi. I'm going to trade all day. If money is on the table, I'm going to get it. That's it. And again, that's just perspective, right? Like that's just perspective. Like that's your perspective versus my perspective, right? I look at it like there's money out here to get. I'm inside a money machine, and I understand structure that allows me to take trades as much as I like, right? As long as I'm managing my risk and I'm following my rules, I can make money all day in the market, all day, right? If somebody wants to just take 1 trade a day, let's go, Jay. Let's keep
right
this
now.
thing.
We eating.
The more you trade, the more experience you get. They don't tell you to learn guitar by playing only 15 minutes a day. They definitely don't tell you to come in, pick up a guitar and pluck 1 string a day and you'll get better. Like, no, you don't do anything by doing 1 to 2 times a day. So your way is your way, but I'm not saying you are wrong. It's a good debate, 100%. And that's all it is, Black Beauty Machine. You know, it's all love and respect. That's what we do in the shop. You know what I mean? Like when you go to a barbershop, you get all of these conversations, right? And it doesn't mean I don't like you. It just means, hey, let's get into a debate about it. I'm cool with it. 30, 40 trades is borderline Kanye issues. What's up? Yes. 100%. 100%. Yes, sir.
All right, I just took my profit right there. I'm back to being green on the day. Thank God. This was a hard market to trade for me. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but I did learn something about myself today as well, which I'm really proud about. And I took that trade the way I wanted to take it. So one thing that Hobbs and I talked a lot about was entries. And one thing about my entries is, and I think I figured it out. Going to the 15 second is where, wait, was I trading on the 15 second? Yeah, going to the 15 seconds where I need to be. And here's why, because with my entries on the 1 minute, I get in a little too late. On the 5 second, I don't really like the 5 second. I'm not gonna lie. It's too much for me in my brain.
Impulsive.
Yeah. It's either the 15 or the 30 second. But what I learned, because I can get better entries on the 15 or 30 second, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the candle to break above where we're struggling at. So if I wait for that momentum to happen, I'm still early when you're talking about the 1 minute or the 30 second because I'm on the 15 second. So I'm still getting the earlier entry, but I'm not super impulsive about getting in as much. And I was able to catch, that was a 30-point move that I just caught. I was down like 200 and now I'm up $72. So I just really recovered on that play. So yeah, I think I know how I want to enter my entry style now. So Yeah, now it's just about refining everything.
Yep, I agree, and I think you only can get there by taking many trades a day. No, I'm just kidding.
Shut up. I'm with Black Beauty Machine. Black Beauty Machine for the win, and I'm only doing that just because I want to disagree. So, just know that at the end of the day, I don't think it matters either. Like how many trades you take. If you
did you just say you're only agreeing with Black Beauty Machine because you just want to disagree?
Yes, I'm admitting it.
How old is this guy? Like what?
I'm admitting it.
Is the word disagree? Just the word mature. I want to disagree. Mature human being come to mind. Like what? I just want to disagree with you.
I just want to disagree just to disagree. That's all.
Like my 13-year-old. Watch out for these shorts up here. This is the 15-minute. Again, I'll keep saying it. This is the 15-minute Fibonacci retracement level right here, guys. Be careful of the longs up here. I think if we get above here, we trade back into 872. That's where I'm looking to short the market. I want to see us come all the way back up, but be careful here because we could reject here or potentially trade higher. So just a heads up. But go ahead, Jay. My bad.
Oh yeah, I'm just disagreeing just to disagree, just to have some fun. Like I just want to be on the opposite side of whatever argument you're on because it's the only fun way to go.
Do you hear this? Do y'all hear this?
And then my goal is to piss you off as much as possible by saying the most incoherent argument stuff, and then that way,
how are you married?
Entertaining.
How are you married? Like how does that work in your relationship? How does that work?
Because
I know that's how you are for real. Because I know you to disagree just to disagree. Like how
just to disagree?
How the heck? Will you marry me? And she says, yeah. You like, well, no, you won't. You shouldn't. You should marry me. Why would you marry me? It's like what?
That's funny.
No,
that's funny, but that's not how that works. That's funny, but that's not how that works.
I just want to disagree. Like. Why would you want to marry me? What's wrong with you? Why do you like me? I don't even like me. Like what?
There's some things you just can't disagree with. Like there's just some things that
his wife is stressed. Yes, 100% she's stressed.
My wife's not. My wife is. My wife's not stressed.
What grown up comes to the building and say, hey, I just want to disagree, just to disagree with you.
Just to disagree.
Like what?
The people love it. The people love it. That's all. The people love it.
No, they think you're crazy, Justin. That's what they think.
No, it's what
they
gets
think
them
you're
going.
Nuts.
Right?
It gets the people going.
It gets the people going. They enjoy it. Like that's part of it, right? Like for instance, the market's going up right now, but I don't agree. The market's coming down. So it's just the market. The market's coming down.
Look, if you ever want to know what direction Justin's trying to trade the market, just ask what direction I'm trading the market, and he's 100%
it's the opposite. It's the opposite
100%.
way. So if he's trying to go long, I'm trying to go short. If he's trying to go short, I'm trying to go long.
But that's okay because I'm on the winning side. So if it goes long and I'm short, I'm just gonna get on the long side. Yeah, cool story, Justin. I'm back in long with you.
He was afraid of the longs earlier. Damn it! No,
I was. I said I was shook from the longs, but then when I saw his break structure and we reversed up there and we came back down, I said, okay, now I'm good with the longs. I'll take the longs now. We cleared out all that liquidity, came back down pretty bearishly, and I took it.
Yeah,
I still think we come back up to 872 and then dump. That's what I want.
I definitely wasn't holding through that pullback. Yeah, thank God I got out. We got a little bit higher than that, but I was not holding through that. But yeah, when I got into that trade, Valdez beat me a little bit, but I saw that consolidation right there. I was like, as soon as we start to push up, I'm in there.
If there's a trade, Valdez sees that jump. There's this.
Yeah, I was on 15. I don't even know what it looked like on the 5 because you got in before me. So
the 5 second be giving you the blessing entry.
Yeah. I see.
You can see the structure break. Yeah, you can see the structure break much faster. So by the time you see it, we're in like 15 to 40 seconds before you, right? So and those seconds are huge. Yeah, that's like it's like huge. You like, oh, I'm out. By the time you get in, I'm already out.
The reason why I don't like the 5 second because it moves so fast that it be catching me sometimes. I like the 15 because it's a little bit smoother for me, just for me personally.
What'll happen is the more you trade the 15, you're gonna realize how slow it is.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're gonna be like, man, the 15 second chart is slow as heck.
Look, I'm fine with the slow because I still caught 30. So.
Right. Facts. That's facts. That's facts. It's efficient. That's all that matters.
Yeah,
I'm still looking to trade this short though. I think shorts the trend is still down. I'm just waiting to see us react to 872 back into this area right here, guys. So I'm basically looking at this as what's up?
On trade on Tops Up X, they count your break even trades as wins. That's very interesting.
And it's not a win though.
It's not, but they count it as a win.
It's not a win though.
They count it.
Hey, yeah, right. Make me feel good.
I was looking at my stats. I took 3 losing trades. That means, and I think I only took 2 winning trades. So the rest of them were all break even trades. I took a lot of break even trades today. A lot of break evens.
Yeah, I'm not tripping. I'm literally waiting on one more beautiful move. Good call, Pippi, on the longs, man. Great call.
Yeah, Pippi, it caught me. I wasn't that short. And that thing roasted me. I should have taken profits where you took profits. I just thought we was about to break right back down to the downside, at least down to 68, but we didn't get that.
His wife is stressed. That's so funny.
She's not stressed.
Yes, she is.
Well, she got some other problems that make her stressed, but it ain't for me. Best believe that.
It's from Justin. Don't trip.
It ain't for me. It ain't for me.
Yeah. The guy that needs Swedish fish in the morning to get amped up.
She bought me this. This was
I know she bought it for you.
I didn't buy it. Hey, look, the can feels all nice. It's got like fish scales on it. Like it's a whole sensory thing. Don't be hating on Swedish fish. Them things are delicious.
Bro, do you? I ain't mad at you. Do you? Ew,
Swedish
right?
Are delicious.
Ew.
You better leave my fish alone.
Ew.
See, now y'all just taking the opposite position. Y'all know y'all like Swedish fish. Y'all know Swedish fish.
Ain't nobody taking the opposite position. We taking the position.
Swedish fish is delicious.
All right, we're looking to fill that.
I did leave a lot on the table, but I'm okay. I'm not mad at you. Still in? Oh. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, he got toasted out. He said, "Where Hubs go?" I heard the beat, but I didn't know it was him. He probably lost power or something crazy. He forgot to pay the power bill. See what happens? The crazy thing is when you start talking about me, I know how to use computers and I know how to get into your house. Never mind, I was about to say something crazy. I know how to get into your mainframe. I'm gonna get you. See, his computer just crashed. You know why it crashed? Because I crashed it. I put in the code. And I crashed it. That's what happened. Red Bull is the official drink of traders. No, it's not. Ghost is the official drink of traders. I'm trying to get sponsored. So Ghost, if you're here, you're listening, send me free Ghost because these things are amazing. They got more than just the Swedish fish flavor. They got a whole bunch of flavors and they're good. They're all good. But this market actually about to hit my original target, which was VWAP, but I was hoping we was gonna push up there a little bit faster. I probably need to stop watching the trade once I get in on the 15 second because that normally trips me up, but whatever. I probably should go to the 1 minute. If I would have went to the one, well, let's see where I got in down here. I'd be up like 40 points right now, 50 points. Oh, he came back. I put bookmap back on. Shoot. At this point, I'm waiting for this upper box area to really short the market back up at 904. I'll short the market when we get back up there. And I might, I'll do it on the account I'm trading on. But we also have 80. The market's got to get above 80. But what a rally, though! What a rally!
Okay. I'm back.
Yeah, don't ever talk about my Swedish fish again. You talk about my Swedish fish again, I'm crashing your computer again. Don't you dare talk about my Swedish fish.
You know, the level of childishness today is it's at an all-time high.
You'll be all right.
First I find myself telling you telling me that you only disagreeing with me just because. Yep. And now we're arguing about your Swedish fish energy drinks. Like, where am I? You started it. You started talking shit about my Swedish fish. Now I'm ending the conversation. Crashing. Okay. Pushing into 872 now, guys. This is the area that I'm looking to be short biased up here. So we'll see what happens. See if the Bulls want to continue to push or do they want to. I'm letting bookmap is loading previous data, so give it a second. Give it a second, guys.
Yeah,
hopefully it shows up by the time. Go ahead, bro.
I'm looking for 904. That's my level. 904 and then 933 are my two levels of interest right now for shorts. But 880 was a previous low that held, so this could end up being a retest too. I think. What are you looking for?
903 will do. 872 will do. That whole area. We're talking about the same area, so.
Okay, cool.
Basically from 887 all the way back to whatever this is, 951. Anywhere in there, I'll be looking for shorts.
Oh, this is interesting. On the tape, there's a lot of liquidity activity, but also did they flip the book over here? They flipped this. Oh, they flipped the book, bro. They flipped the book. 900 got flipped, y'all. 900 used to be the level where they had a whole bunch of orders, and now they flipped it to the downside. So there's I think they're looking to take the market up to 900 to sell their longs, only to bring the market back down.
This push up does not look choppy anymore. It looks aggressive, but again, I know what level I'm looking to trade it at. So we got potential rejection at 87. Oh, this is 872 right here. Okay. We're almost there.
Southside Player Crypto says Justin keeps the chat hype. Let's go. The world above says
going.
Love Justin's little rants. Let's go. What?
I said it gets the people going.
Right. I don't know whether Tay's on your team or my team. Sometimes he's on your team.
He's on whatever team is winning. Hobbs is just a meanie. Okay.
And then Burton says, yes, you can't win. I think it's the jailhouse that with that I don't know. Hobbs needs some Olive Garden. What?
What? He's talking Olive Garden.
I haven't been to Olive Garden in a long time.
What is Olive Garden supposed to do?
I don't know. I really am interested in this 900 level. I'm really hoping the market comes back up there and reacts to 900. But it looks like we're starting to get some heavy selling down here at 56, where VWAP is at. That's VWAP on the chart, because I know you don't want to leave it up there.
I don't. I just know that we just had a head and shoulders on the 5 second, so I'm just watching. I don't know what's going on with my book. I don't know what's going on with my book map, bro. It's got like a big break where my computer just crashed.
Yeah, it'll do that. I don't think it's gonna load the data. You could try. Did you try to load the past 4 hours or 5 hours?
I tried to load the last 3. This just got a big blank spot right there. I was just like, oh, okay.
No.
But we know where we are now, so
yeah.
See if we can't push up right to this 900 level. See all that liquidity up there. 872 is where we're at. We're headed to. So
that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to see what the market does at 900, and that's also in my area of interest. So if it wants to sell beforehand, then that's fine. It could do that. But I think we're going up there. I think that's where the banks and all the rest of the institutions want to take their profit. They keep loading up even more orders up there. So we'll see. Southside Player Crypto says,
here we go.
Liquidity
sweep. Potential liquidity sweep here. Watching this area very closely. Just tapped 872. They gotta bring it. Or they're gonna lose it.
I think we're about to go.
I don't.
So we just been moving up and up and up. Oh,
there go them sellers.
We got played right there. Oh, Hobbs, that was a really good scalp. Looking back at that short scalp, we definitely should have. Should have definitely taken profit right there. That was a really good scalp you took.
Oh, when you guys stayed in that long down there?
Mm-hmm. But when we stayed in the short, we should have gotten out. That was a really good awareness.
That's why I got out. I was like, I already know I'm going against this trend right here, this little miniature trend. So
yeah, that was really good. That was a really good cut. Oh, Pippi said, please take my phone away. Nah, bro, keep making your money.
Nah, make your money, bro. Get your money.
Nah, he mutes himself now when he's eating while on stream. Thank God.
Who said that?
He had that. Your wife.
My wife.
He had a bowl of cereal. He muted himself. Is he a messy eater?
I'm not a messy eater. I'm just a loud eater.
Hold on, we going home. Just hold on, we're going home. That's right, Yvonne. We're going home to the downside, hopefully. TC says, like, we like to rag on Hobbs because he's big.
What?
TC said we all little guys. You gotta fight for the little guy, I guess. Even though I don't know how I feel about being called the little guy. Though.
You are the little guy.
I mean, I know, but I don't know how I feel about that.
Come on, get down, girl. Get down. You know you want to come down. There we go.
Let's check.
Go.
Eat, baby. Eat, baby.
I'm short
eat, baby,
7-0. Trying to get this thing to push down.
Eat,
This is the exact level where I wanted to get short at 7-2. We pushed up to about 7-6. So we immediately found sellers up there. So that's what I wanted to see.
This is where the last amount of like buying took place too before the drop. So
yeah,
very nice, very nice. Eat. What? A bunch of Charleston Whites. What is that?
Yeah, who's Charleston White? Who's that guy?
I don't know. Y'all be knowing people that I don't know. Wait, that's not the dude. That's not the dude that was on the podcast with Brittany Renner, is it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I know who he is now. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Everybody like, yep. All right, I know who he is. That dude is horrible, bro. Like he's horrible for all men, in my opinion. He be cheating on his wife and stuff. Like it's sad, openly too. Looks like Hobbs about to catch his body. I think we about to break. We're about to break 56 and go.
I'm chilling. Hi, I got your ass, baby.
He sure wasn't my much.
He's like, don't get happy, fool. I almost took it in this. I knew I wanted to be short in the 70s, so I was like, all right. Well, I'm only in the 5 micros, so.
I like the 15-minute candle that we're getting in this sell-off. I just want to see. I want to see this.
We come up one more. But I think we come up one more time. But my stop is at the high, so we need to run my stop in order to go up higher. So I'm okay with that. I just don't want to go to break even yet. I'm okay with the 6 points. It's literally 6 or 7 points, $70. So I'm okay with the price coming down or going back up. If it runs my stop, like I'm okay with that. I want to give this some room to get going because I think if it gets going, yeah, we know what's next. Yeah, he's just wrong. That's the way I'm looking at it. I'll go to break even if we get below that low. If we close below that low down there at what is this 54, then I'll go to break even.
Let me see if I'm spotting any weakness on this tape to the upside or to the downside. I'm just really liking this 15-minute candle y'all got in on. I want to see this 15-minute candle close bearish. Yeah, it's coming down though.
That guy's fucking good. That guy's fucking good. He don't miss.
You took
no. He's really fucking good. He's really good.
Fib, Hobbs?
You say what, sir?
I said you took this level off the fib?
No, this is the 5-minute supply zone at 7.2. This is where all of that selling came in, and it's the daily fib. So remember I said this morning, I said if we get a break below the daily fib, I want to look for retest into the daily fib.
Yeah.
And that's what I was looking for, is a break and retest of the daily fib, and that's what we got.
Yeah,
we still got work to do though. So if this market is going to come down, it needs to break the low.
I ain't gonna lie though, this daily candle looking bullish.
Mm-hmm. That's not a good recovery. I don't like that, but I'm gonna stay in. Yeah, my stops behind the range. Like I said, in order for me to be wrong, they have to take me out, and that's a $70 push, and I'm okay with losing $70 today to potentially catch this move.
This also, I'll just say, this also kind of looks like that falling wedge pattern on the 15 though. Okay. The 15 second. So.
Seeing buyers trying to come in here, but I just want to continue to see sellers engulf them. See, that's what I want to see. Every time buying comes in, it gets engulfed by the sellers. That's what I want to see. As long as we can continue to do that, we'll eventually break this low. But if these buyers continue to buy above 67, that's a red flag, right? So. But if we can continue to sell and get beneath 53, we'll go. About a minute 27 left in this 15-minute candle. If we trade above 67, I'm going to go break even. And then and potentially just take a break-even trade. But if we can get this thing down, then we should come down. She's just playing. Come on, girl.
Yeah, this is a fight.
There it goes. Last 50 seconds in this 15-minute candle. Last 20 seconds usually get pretty aggressive to the sell side. So let's see.
Yeah, I really like this 15-minute candle you guys got.
I'm watching it. It's 42 seconds left in this candle. So just give me the last 20 seconds and we should be able to win this battle. If we can win the last 20 seconds, we'll win the trade. If they come back and defend, we're gonna be in trouble. Like that.
Nah, you're still good though. We're closing at the bottom of the candle, and there wasn't a lot of volume in this last 15-minute candle, which kind of.
It's 20 seconds left. It's 20 seconds left on. I'm chilling. I'm not tripping, bro. Whatever this.
I know you're not. I'm just saying I like this candle close. Even if we push up a little bit, that's fine. But the fact that this volume is really low on this 15-minute candle compared to the last 15-minute candle, it's just showing that the buying is slowing down here. So we might get a little bit of a push up, but I still think we could come down. I don't know.
Yeah, they came up pretty bullish.
Yeah, but I think this might fail still, though.
I don't think so. That's not what I wanted to see.
I mean, yeah, it's never what you want to see.
All right, I'm out right there.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I got out. As soon as I saw that, what I wanted to see was the opposite of what we got. And I was like, oh no, we're not gonna sit through that. I got out for a little $10 loss. Let's see if this is another sweep though, because I'm not giving up on the shorts. I want to see if I can either get a better entry or just leave them alone. I think they still want to come down.
Exhaustive move to the upside before we end up falling.
Yeah. All right, I got back in at 7.3. Much better entry. I got back in at 7.3. Come here, girl. Come in, girl. Come on. Yeah. I knew we were gonna sweep. I was like, all right, let me just see. If I would have stayed in, I would have got stopped out at 7.7. No, we came in. We got hit at 7.7, and my stop was at 7.625. So I would have got stopped out. So I got a better entry, and it only cost me $10 for the entry, and I'm risking less than I was the last time. So
that was a big seller that just hit the tape right there.
I know. We just need to get underneath some structure here.
I just don't want to long the market all the way up here.
I'm not touching longs up here. If this thing stops me out for a quick loss, then so be it. But I think it wants down.
I mean, yeah.
Oh God! Damn. Okay, never mind. All right, I'm done.
These bulls, man. I got something for you.
Hey, they said, "Hey, boy, shut up."
Dang.
They hit me with the yeet candle. They said, "You better cut that shit out." All right, I'll take that loss. Give up the shorts. No, I will not. No, I'm done in that area. I'm done in that area, Pippi. They was like, they said, you short this thing one more time, and I'm gonna cook your ass. Yeah, bro. It's holding. They holding. Woo. Yeah, he said, "Oh man, this was his fault."
That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Brett, yeah, I got a supply zone at 90. I got a supply zone at 902.
I'm sick watching this shit right now. Oh
wait,
my God! Please don't dump. Please don't dump.
Let me answer Brett's question real fast. I got a supply zone at.
Don't do this.
Oh my God!
Don't do this.
They're all hurt about getting stopped out right here. But
oh no,
did they? Nope. Okay, yeah. But anyway, Brett, yeah, I got a supply zone up there at 902 to 950. But then I got another supply zone within that supply zone at 929 70 25. So those are the two areas I'm watching the short. But it looks like this low right here that I have marked out.
I'm fading the chat. I swear to God, if this comes down, I'm fading y'all forever. I'm fading y'all forever. I'm fading y'all about to break
money
my
push.
screen.
We might drop. Yeah. They're all hurt because they tried to short and they got in too early. No problem, Brett. No problem.
They come back up again, I'm gonna short the bejesus out of it.
Hey, you ain't lying. I'm already seeing where I'm about to take this short.
God, these bears, these bulls. You see they coming back so fast. I'm not touching this. Don't fade the chat, y'all.
He said, "Don't fade the chat."
Oh my God. Oh no, it's about to come down.
Come back up to my area.
Oh my God.
And I'll short you.
Bro, we got stopped out by the most egregious liquidity sweep in the history of liquidity sweeps. That thing was egregious. That was so unnecessary. The market did not have to do that, bro. They did not have to do that.
This is looking like a 15-minute head and shoulders though, potentially.
It looked like a head and shoulders down there. It just faked the heck out of me. It was like too soon.
Yeah,
too soon. Get your ass back.
Well, we just had two really exhaustive pushes back to the upside, so hopefully we get one more exhaustive push, and then we can look to short. Or this might be it, though. This might be it.
Yo, I'm about to call it a day. Yeah.
He really hurt right now, but little do you know, he's probably already short.
I'm sick.
Uh-oh.
I'm sick.
It's not my fault.
Mayday.
I'm about to say that. Mayday. Hey, actually, I did call it though. I did say it does look like it's a falling wedge right here. I'm just saying. Bruh. I called the Mayday without saying the Mayday. Is Mayday in here? Mayday, you in here?
Said Mayday.
I said, damn, Mayday.
I was sick, bro. I was like, what? I'm selling.
I said, damn, Mayday. Y'all took it the wrong way.
Bro, these bulls, if we can get below 53, I'll entertain bears. But if the bears can't get below 53, then the bulls are just gonna keep taking over, guys.
I'm looking at shorts at 776, 876. If we get back up there on this push and they can defend, I'll look to take a short. because we just broke that lower structure right there and closed below it. We did it on the 1 minute as well. We closed and got the bounce. So, although,
like
dang,
right here,
huh?
I kind of like this failure right here.
For longs,
No.
shorts?
Yeah, I'm in at 64. One more time. Come on, do it for the culture, baby. Do it for the culture. Tight stop, man. Tight stop. Do it for the culture, baby. Come on, do it for the culture. Come on, drop 53. Drop him out of the box. Him. No. Oh my God. Pippy's probably talking to me right now in chat. I told you to leave the shorts alone. And I'm telling him, I don't care. I'm short this market. You're coming down.
Dang. Oh my God. Hey, no, that's a failure though. We get another failure.
How come every time we get into a trade lately, it's been so freaking aggressive to come down, bro? Just relax, market. Come down. You know you want to come down. Oh my gosh. What is this? I'm going to break even, bro. I can't. I'm not taking a loss over here. I'm doing too well today. Doing too well to be messing around with this market. Just break 53. You know you want to do it. Just do it. Break 53 and we go night-night. Oh my God.
It's coming. Just relax. We might just have to push up one more time though.
Shut up, Justin. It's coming, but you might have to sit through just a little bit more pain.
You might have to sit through a little bit more, but it's coming. I feel it. It's just, you know.
Oh, it's so
might just be a little early. The 15-minute looks super bearish, and that's what I'm watching right now. I want to come up a little bit more.
If this thing sweeps up one more time, I'm playing ES tomorrow. I can't take it.
Well, tomorrow's the weekend, so that's
exactly.
already.
That means I'm never playing ES.
That's already. He already lying.
I'll never trade that stupid instrument.
Hey, don't fade it. Tay said he up $1,000 on ES today. Don't fade it.
Let's go.
Pay 2 certified. I'm up $1,000 paper. Well, he was paper trading it, but still.
I think we might tap in one more time to put that other shoulder in on the 15, and that'll
what
be
I'm waiting
unfortunate.
for.
That'll be very unfortunate. That'll be very unfortunate.
Because it looks like the Bulls are building to come back up.
Do we
right
really
now.
need to tap that shoulder one more time? I mean, we don't really need to tap that shoulder.
Yes, we do.
Do we?
We do. Tap me in, baby.
Tap me in, baby.
Tap me in.
All right, I'm at break even, man. That's it. That's enough. That's
hey,
enough.
We've just been consolidating down here.
That's enough. I can't take it no more. All right, just take my freaking money. All right, I'm out. All right, I'm out. I'm out in the trade, man. God, leave. God,
hey, market. Now you can dump. Now you can dump, market.
Yo. Hey, shut up. Oh, he's in here. I forgot he got Discord access.
Is that Pippi? Pippi said, stop shorting the market.
That's Pippi. Pippi said, no more shorts, T. Hey, I'm going to short this market. Best believe it. I just think we got to come up one more time and get rejected. We got to come up one more time and reject
right
76.
Here. This is it. This aggressiveness is what I was waiting on. Come on and fail.
We just need to reject 76, man. This is it. The market's going to go down. Wrap it up, guys. Shut up, Pippi. You don't know nothing, Pippi. You cut it out right now, Pippi. We're shorting this market, bro.
76. That's the level I need. I need it. I want it.
We ain't getting 76, bro.
We might not get 76. This might be it right here.
I don't think we getting 76. He says, stop shorting the market. Stop it. Stop it right now. No. I will not stop shorting this market.
I want 76 though.
I want the market to come down. That's it. Just come down, bro.
All right, we got 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Again, this candle looks super bearish. The momentum to the upside has basically died.
This is distribution, man. We're going down. I'm not listening to Pippi.
Yeah. You got short again at 67?
66.50.
I knew it.
66.50. 66.50. Just come down already. Market, Jesus. Oh my God, Bears. Just give it up, bro. It's over. It's over, Bulls. It's over. Take it down. Oh,
Might just
the agony, the pain, the defeat. Oh, back at break even again. Oh yeah,
thank y'all
yeah,
for the
I'm so glad I went to break
liquidity.
even. Just liquidity swept the hell out of me.
Oh,
This is crazy. Golly. I saw it, bro. I was like, nope. I was like, I'm going back to break even. They about to sweep it again. I ain't messing around with it. What are y'all doing right now? This the demo.
Hey, Pippi, they put in the ICT tape, huh? The ICT algorithm tape,
bro. You know I'm hard-headed, Pippi.
Oh my God.
He said,
nah, I still think buyers are getting exhausted up here. I think this is their last hurrah. I really do. I really, really do. I think this is it.
Yeah. I'm over here. I just want this last move, bro. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty confident that if the market cannot push above this, we'll go back down. But if we start getting super aggressive, I'm just gonna leave them alone.
Maybe I was wrong
This
about
looks
these bulls. Okay, that was a nice little failure. Oh wait,
Let's see if the sellers come in. I want to see them step up. They not gonna step up. Y'all just go just like that. Y'all ain't gonna
just gonna lay down.
Y'all just gonna lay down. The long as 72. Uh-huh.
Oh, the 11. Oh. Yeah, you know, I see what you're saying. I was cool with it coming back up. I just didn't want it to come back up all the way to 80. The fact we came back up that high, yeah, I pretty much have shorts off the table at this point because I think we're gonna come back up now. Now that we broke that, it's probably gonna continue going higher. But I could be wrong. But them bulls they look strong. Yeah, I mean, we're just trading sideways right now. I don't. Yeah, I was thinking about trying to short if we get below 53. Honestly,
I'm sure 75 too. That's why I'm just listening to them. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. I ain't trying to hit none of that shit. I ain't trying to hit none of that. I'm like, I ain't trying to hit none of that. I'm sure 75. Y'all can keep talking. I was just over here like, yeah, all right. let these mofos mess around and come down, though. That's all I want. Just come down, bro. I'm at break even again. I'm confident.
I feel you.
That if the market breaks 53, we're coming down to 657. I'm very confident in that. But we need to break 653. Right now, I think we're all correct in the fact that we're consolidating up here. We don't know if this is accumulation or distribution, however. We don't know if somebody's loading into a big buy position or a big sell position. But what we do know is that the consolidation is very heavy here. But the Bulls are exhausted at the high and the Bears are exhausted at the low. So whoever breaks first is going to be the direction that we're going to go in. I'm betting on the Bears just for the simple fact that they've ruled the trend today. And this is the breaking point for them. So if they lose this trend, we're going all the way back up. That I agree on. But if we break 53, this market goes night-night. That's my thesis. Yep. Taking it win, baby. Taking it win. Let me lock in 10 too, because this market been fucking around with me all day. All right, locking in 10 right there. Now you can fucking dump. Sorry, I'm cussing on YouTube, but I'm very frustrated with this move right now. Like, I need this market to flush. 100%. I'm out at 60 if it comes up.
Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done. As
All right,
soon as I lock out, I'm done
$150.
trading on the day.
I thank you so much. I'll take that. I'll just play the range then, right? Like if the market doesn't want to give me what I want to the downside, the bigger move, then I'll just play down to the range, right? And we all can be right. That's the beauty of trading, is that I can long the market up from 853 back up to 75 and be right. I can short the market down from 875 to 53 and be right. And both times I can make money. The problem was I was giving back too much money because I was expecting a break of this consolidation. That's the mistake that I was making. This time I didn't make that mistake. I got in short where I wanted to be short, and then I got out where I needed to be out. But I still believe that if the market breaks 53, it's night season. I'm gonna stand by that. I
think I'll just play the break and retest of that.
Yep, that's what I'll do. If we break this, we come back and retest 53, that's where I'll look to get short. That way I don't have to sit through this pain right here. But I think the market wants down. The Bulls do have the opportunity to take it back up. It's just a matter of who's going to be in control of this move right here. We don't know if this is accumulation, reaccumulation, or distribution. But I do agree with you, Pippi. At a certain time, this is going to break. We just don't know which way it's going to break. Sorry, guys. We're having a nice little conversation in the Discord. 903 still long, 5019. Dang, and up 4K ES on the year. Let's go. Just trading it. Short 860. Are we going down? Yeah, I got short up at the high up there. I can't remember where I got short. I was so in tune. But I'm not gonna lose my thesis up here. My thesis was we come up to 872, right? And we push down. And we come down to 657. If we break 853, which is what we're doing right now, I think this market goes night-night.
Yep, there was a break right there. We got a slight retest, but I want to. Yeah.
I want to see us close below because we got this structure right here at 46 that we might be fighting with right here. So I want to see us close below that. Yeah, I'm fully short biased now. Fully.
You should just start trailing it. Just start trailing instead of. I mean, bailing down there wasn't a bad idea, though.
No, I was about to say you bailed at the low. That was a pretty good bail.
Yeah.
No. You 100% were correct. I think. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I was about to say, like, I was 100% listening to you. I just thought about it a different way. I said, well, there's still opportunity here, right? Like, there's still opportunity because this is a long right here. This is a potential long right here. Let's go. Because see, now this is looking like the long. We're coming right back into the range, and that's a failure by the sellers, right? But let's see. Ooh.
Good Lord.
I'm so glad I got up out of that. He said, oh my goodness. You see these bubbles? Tiny bubbles.
Yeah, that was a fake out breakdown.
Boy.
Breakdown, fake down.
They about to take everybody for a trip. They like, yeah. What you saying, Hobbs? Long bias, huh? Short bias, huh? Yeah, all right. Stand the F by, mofo. Let's see if they can keep pushing Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think
Once
we
they
all
broke that
agree that
low
this
and
is like
regained it.
yeah, what? But again, look, we coming back up to the high, and look how strong the Bears are. This is why I'm like, I just wait till this completely breaks the volume to come in a little bit, either direction, and then I'll look to play the retest. Either direction. What's our time, Pitty? What time we looking at? I know. What time are you expecting move? 11:50. Yeah. Facts. Bet. Yeah, this is facts. That makes sense. Yeah. Yes. Yep.
Damn, I should pick that shit. Fuck.
Facts. I'm peeping. Right. Facts.
Oh.
No, I'm not. Just. Yep. Exactly. That's exactly what my thought process was as well. Because I was like, you know what? I made my money in the AM session, right? I'll trade the PM session if it gives me something nice, but what for? Like I'm up, right? I don't need to end my day saying, man, I was up X amount of dollars and I let them off the hook. It's like, no, I'm good. My wife says she's up $5 on metamaterials. I'm trying not to sell. I hate you so much. She said, you be talking about you up thousands of dollars. She said, if I was up $10, I'd take that money off the table. Yeah. It's what's that, brother? Oh, like CB in here? Yeah, no, it is. It makes my journey so much easier. I appreciate them, all of them. They all support me. Like my kids cook when they're home. Like my kids are cooking breakfast right now, and they were making dinner last. My son cooks like basted salmon and all type of stuff. He's 13, right? Like he makes dinner. You know, I taught them all type of stuff. So we're one big unit in here. The Hobbs household, we built a little different, but I do appreciate the compliments, good sir. I appreciate that so much. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, he's got homework today. Matter of fact, he's got to watch video 2 this weekend and then take some notes. And then we're gonna be doing some paper trading this weekend on crypto. Longs are going bye. Let's see if they can break this range at 882. Yeah, I'm loving it, bro. Facts. What I'm looking at is on the daily, that daily fib where we're at right now. This is where we agree and we disagree. well, this is where we agree, but the perspective's different. So my thought process is if we start to trade above 7.2, we're gone. Right? I don't even need to see us get above 92 because the way I'm looking at it, once we start trading above 7.2, that's us reclaiming the daily fib of 50% and buyers willing to purchase above the 50% value price, which means that once we get above it, we're going to hold it, right? We're going to hold it, use it as support, and then we're going to skyrocket to the all-time high, right? So I think we agree. We just look at it a little differently right there. Yeah.
We about to go.
Facts. Bro. Oh, you mean last night? Oh, bro, if I would have held all night, I wouldn't even been trading. Because like the entry that I got, I think was like 933. The Bulls are really taking over here, by the way. But the entry that I got was like 33, and my target was 18,020. You look on the chart, because remember, that's the trade we talked about in the VC last night. So when I looked at the chart, I was like, oh, I'm in here. But I was so nervous that I was going to give back too much profit with Apex. And I should have been. I should have just set my stops, set my targets, and just walked away. I could have went to sleep and woke up to $3,000 or $4,000 in the account. So, but it's all good. I ain't tripping. I still traded very well today. I managed my risk, and I got the heck up out of there before the market was like trying to be on some other shit. Because the market was on some others, not other stuff. Like I was fighting the trend down, and I wasn't fighting it because I wasn't actually trading the trend down. I was just astonished by how far we went down. I think us breaking below that daily fib is what switched my bias significantly. But seeing this rally not being met with any type of being met with resistance and having the Bulls continue to fight, it still makes me be a little bit cautious on the longs. But like you said, if we start to trade above 920, I think it's over. 950 is where it's really over. But yeah.
Oh, damn it. Oh, no.
How do you get the option to add your stop loss and take profit after you enter the trade? Is that a setting? Bankable profits, what platform are you using? If you're using TraderVate, you must be talking to Justin. He's using
because he saw me take that paper trade.
Yeah. Those are paper trades.
Yeah, I just took a paper trade. I didn't want to take that trade in the middle of the range. It worked out, but that's not a trade I would have wanted to take. To be honest, I foobarred myself. I should have been. I had that long set up yet again, but I wanted to see the market come back down one more time, and it just took right off. So yeah, next time I'll just take the trade and say screw it. Because honestly, I should have. If I would have had my stop at the low where it should have been, it wouldn't have mattered. We would have never came back there. So, but yeah, it's pretty simple. It's attached to the TraderVate when you take it. And you said you found the setting, so yeah, TV, yeah. You just slide it. It's a slider. The good thing is that Tops of X actually has the same slider, which I really like.
Real quick, Discord fam, watch this liquidity. You see how from 900 we're starting to push the liquidity down? That's a good sign that sellers may be looking to take over this book here now. So they might have gotten as much as they wanted, but again, we still got to take out a low. We haven't taken out a low even with all of this selling that's taking place, but I am watching how they're creeping down from 900 to push price down, and this is block liquidity up here at 900. So either bulls want to use this as fuel or sellers want to kind of squeeze this down. So it looks like the bulls are getting the aggressive buyers in the market are looking to try to take this out. So let's see what happens.
They have no chill right now. They did get back in the middle of the range though, but Jesus. I would have liked them to hold the high of that range. They did not do that. They came right back into it, but it's almost like
trading view. Yeah, okay, yeah.
It's almost like they're faking. It's almost like they're faking people out, like to the downside.
You certified say ES is his baby now. I didn't see this.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, let's get it. I think any instrument can work, brother. Like Justin's all territorial. I'm not.
Yeah, don't talk about my baby ES bad. I'll cut you. I'll well, ready? I'll
Oh, stop it. Are you talking about Draymond?
yeah.
They said, is Draymond really out here shaking people in broad daylight? That man, Draymond built different, man.
Gotta be, man. Gotta be. Oh, good.
Anyway, bro, I think I'm ready to get up out of here.
Bro, you read my mind. I was like, bro, I'm
Okay.
ready.
I'm ready to go. I know you got up super early, so
Yeah, I'm ready. I think I'm turning it in for the day. I took some really good trades. I took some really bad trades. I took some really good trades, but the risk was managed. Small green day, all good. Not even worried about it. Just gonna keep working, man.
Hey,
Just gonna keep
from
working.
now on, Discord fam, London is where it's at, baby. We getting up for London, man. We got Pippi in the building. I know he regularly trades London, so I'm all about trading that London session. Right around like 11:30 midnight. That's where it gets juicy.
Oh, wait. 11:30 to midnight is when London starts?
Well, for you, it'll start 1:30. Well, it starts at like 2, I think, officially, but like
the dang,
moves
that's my bedtime.
Man, shut up. You be up to like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Nah, I'd be up till about 2.
That's past my bedtime.
that is my bedtime. My bedtime is like 1, 2 o'clock. So
yeah. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure all week. We've come, we've seen, and we've conquered. The growth is real in the trader shop. If you like to join, the link to the Discord is in the description down below. But if you just enjoy coming to this free YouTube channel and just having somebody to talk to about your trading, we're here for you as well. Please make sure you go to my Twitter page and vote. We need to know, does pineapples really go on pizza?
Yes,
like,
they
is this
do.
a real thing? Like, if y'all win this poll, I guess we got to say Justin was right. But if you know, I'm gonna go vote like from like 50 different burner accounts. He's not winning this poll.
You do that, but just
know
pineapple 100%. Matter of fact, in honor of this, I'm gonna go get a Hawaiian pizza today. But my daughter only likes cheese, but I don't care. I'm getting a Hawaiian pizza today. I'm gonna post it too.
That being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure hanging out with you guys. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. My name is T Hobbs. Daddy over there is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.